Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Hey, 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 yeah. Hey. Up there, up there, up there, up there, up there, up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the leaf from the top of my mind, it comes a win a revival time. Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord. Everybody!
Bada bing, bada bing, bada bing, bada bing, bada bing. Yeah, man, welcome to the Mixup and Blenda, same thing with me, the king of Mixup, Ragashanti, the principal, seeing Mr. Washbelly. Up in there, sitting, we're there, large at the Mixup family, DJ Chris Cross in the building, Root to the Cutie there, Michelle Party Belly as there, and sitting, large up on the side. Big up all I'm get the fabulous people, I'm uptown people, I'm country people, I'm big up all I'm elderly people, man, I'm old people, I'm out the member, you know. Enough respect to the old people because of them set it so we can get it. It's all about a old school Thursday, a old school Thursday, a old school Thursday. You see. Why? Yeah, why, Chris Cross, sometimes, but we could talk about this at 2 o'clock because yesterday show, boy, for a long while, we don't have a show where every call shot.
Shot.
Every call shot. For a long while, we drop a road and usually people, there's content and people say, you know, so at the call where so and so take it, and everybody know which call take it. I be a drama yesterday about which call take the show. You know?
Yeah.
Some say Muma take the show. Some say the brother will call about Beady Man take the show. Some say the man will wear him and G-string take the show. So I be a things, you know, man. Remember, you know. But anyway, it's all about a old school Thursday. And if you have any idea about who take the show, I don't want to post up on the things and think. Larger part of the Mix-Up Yard family, the Mix-Up Yard family, the yard has them large up on itself. Everything is everything. Cross, you know what I talk about, you know. Yesterday, I buy a hammer, you know. Yesterday, I buy a hammer. And somebody said, yo, Raga, I'm bound to send you. John, I mean, a true value, I buy a hammer. And somebody said, yo, Raga, I'm bound to send you for buy that. No. Yeah, I want to know low bounty killer, you know. I want to know low Rodney Price. Rodney Price, don't worry yourself, just straighten out where for straighten out. You don't know us enough out there support your same way. You just need to, you know, make some adjustment without you deal with the ladies, them and sitting. You understand? Have to take care of them some more, you know, and about to make them dry out to get the thing on a certain level. You understand? But that's very talented youth, and we're going to stick by you and things. See? Glad to present. Okay, it's about 12 minutes to 2 o'clock. That means it's a good time for...
Something.
Oh my God! Can you believe that?
Can you believe it? True stories from around the world that make you say, Papa Jesus, that anything really can go so. And for Can You Believe It, today we go to the nation of China, the most populated country in the world, China. German doesn't sound sweet like yesterday. It's going on, but okay. Here that Can You Believe It? Man sues wife for being ugly. Man sues wife for being ugly. We step up in our mix-up right now. A Chinese man has divorced and sued his wife for £55,000 after discovering she'd had plastic surgery before they met. 38-year-old Jiang Feng was said to have been horrified when she gave birth to an ugly baby daughter. Yo, how the news right married, you know. How the news right married. Again, 38-year-old Jiang Feng was said to have been horrified when she gave birth to an ugly baby daughter. He suspected her of having an affair. His wife then confessed to having plastic surgery costing £70,000 in South Korea before they met and showed him a picture of how she used to look. He filed for divorce 2 years after marrying her following a whirlwind romance. So make her put it in a patois. A man a meet a woman and thing and the woman shell down, the woman look good and sitting. And he run go married her. And after I married her and sitting whatever, you know, them do the things, them and them push out the navel. You understand? And she push out the baby. And when the baby come, according to the story, the baby ugly. The baby ugly. And the man see the baby ugly. The man I say, no, sir. I want somebody else to go sleep with a bunny and give me a car of pitney. I don't look like you. And it don't look like me. At that point, the woman say, well, you want to see better that plastic surgery, you know. And how me look now is very different from how they look before. And she goes up, boom, bam, 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 and show him the picture how she they look before. And at this time realize, you know, whatever. And him sue her. Basically, I say, who me married is not who you actually are. And as you know, understand the thing, people. Somebody can take cosmetic surgery, they can take plastic surgery, them can even bleach and look different. But genetics don't make adjustment after you bleach. Your genes, Genes, don't make adjustment after you take plastic surgery. Your genes, your genetics, them not change when you go take cosmetic surgery. So if you did ugly before and you go take surgery and then you get pretty, when you breed and have your picnic will look like how you did look before, which is ugly. So this man I know see the picnic come up because he marry a pretty woman, you know. And he might expect a pretty baby. And when the baby come out, and the baby probably look like a cross between an elephant, a wolf, a snake, and a mosquito, the man they just upset about that. But then him sue her. Crisscross, the man have a right for sue her. Eh? Me can't hear your ass.
Nope.
Him not have a right for sue her.
No.
Emily, the man have a right for sue her.
I would say so, yeah.
Why?
No, I mean, alright then, yeah, him knows that the person who him see with the plastic surgery, him actually going on legal agreement with her, but at the same time, she should have make him know before, like how she did it before. You know, you understand what I say? Say if you are married somebody, you don't want to know if them they fat before them slim or whatever, because no, you must go live with and a man according to the story, an ugly child who he thinks is not his. So to an extent.
Why that one is a tricky one. That one is a tricky one. But it just goes to show some of the things that we have to deal with in the modern times, because she may take 10 million plastic surgery, you know.
Exactly.
But it don't matter what the plastic surgery makes
She's
you look.
still an ugly person.
If she did ugly before, the
Yeah.
picnic will come out based on how she did look
and
before.
she should have tell the man.
So you think that anybody take plastic surgery, if somebody take plastic surgery and on them mouth, their nose or whatever, and them got married somebody,
Of course.
they must tell the person.
Yeah.
So, I know somebody look before, you know.
Exactly.
And
if them
failure on the part of
Yeah.
that person will tell the person, you think that that is a breach of contract, essentially.
Of course, it's just like if you're going to marry a woman and only if you know say before she was a man. So because you and her married and you marry her as a woman, you're not supposed to know say she was a man
You
before.
know, me agree with that part. Me agree with that part. That's the part that me agree with.
Yeah, but what are they suing for? About the baby? Or
Eh?
the baby turn out?
No, why man say basically, she never make him know say she didn't look very different before. So when him, in other words, when
So
him,
that's
when
basis
when
for
him,
support.
all right, put it that way, yeah. Basically, the man I say, if you didn't look that way, you're Moona there with you. Moona married you. That the man I say.
Oh.
And she know that's why she keep it from him.
Well.
That the man I say.
In
The
that
man I
case.
say, any of me didn't know say I saw you look. My Moona married you. So I trick me. You should have tell me. You understand?
She forget so, man.
You see, in them position there, me don't know, I get, because the real issue here is really the child, you know. Because let's admit it, no? You have a lot of people when them are going to look somebody for married, them kind of calculate how that person they
Yeah,
look.
that's true.
And how the picnic may, you know, what range the picnic are
Yeah.
come out in, don't it? No, let's be honest. Don't people do that?
Yeah, man. Now you calculate if you have
Even
your
somebody
goals.
may even sleep with somebody and take a chance with that person and sleep with that person. But, you know, some woman we had sleep without a shot, man. You understand? But if they are going to marry somebody, they might say, right? Some man will sleep with a dwarf. But if I'm going to marry somebody, some people will sleep with a brown man. But if they're going to marry somebody, they prefer a black man, don't they? Some people sleep with somebody dark skin, but if they're going to marry, so you understand? So the whole marriage thing now, where you going to spend time with somebody and rate it, it's just a whole different ball game right there, so because the man did that calculate saying pick me a go have, sir, you know? Some that might tell you so nowadays you can't run in for nothing because you don't even know. Yo, talking about this. Who watch Maury this morning? Ruth, you watch Maury this morning? Maury have him reggae one episode where them bring out the woman them and if you guess which one born as a man and which one born. Let me tell you something, man. No, man, him have it all a while. So, no, one episode. Him have it all a while. Right? I'm look on the while because I'm sure I know some people must watch Maury this morning. I talking to me, I tell her, say, yo, pretty woman not frighten me nowadays, you know. She could have pretty like gold. That not frighten me. At the end of the day, that not frighten me. You understand? Because nowadays, the thing set out where people don't make all kind of adjust. You see, I don't have Brazil, I don't necessarily that, you know. Brazil and Venezuela. You never know. No, man, Brazil and Venezuela mad with the plastic surgery, man, and the cosmetic surgery. You never know that.
That's why men are drawn to them.
Yeah, and ironically, them say Brazil and Venezuela
Yeah.
have some of the prettiest women in the world. Venezuela win the beauty. Venezuela, them have the beauty competition. Them it's like an industry down there. You understand? Nowadays, you don't even know what is what. You can't look for somebody and talk about nice nose, nice, high cheekbone and what. Them could have buy it. And buy it cheap too. You understand? Well, you see when it comes to the picnic part of the equation right now. Well, why? I kind of see where the man I come from.
Yeah, because...
I see where I come from. With the picnic part of the thing. It sound cool, but I say if I turn him back on the picnic, But the man, he make a calculation based on how the woman look and thing and whatever. I don't know. Let me see what them I say on the wall real quickly about it. I could see them I say on yeah, if anybody did watch Maury today, I don't see nobody I watch Maury. Them say them watch Maury today and sitting there. But a crazy thing. But anyway, people, there you have it. A brother in China married him, married and thing and have him wife. And when him wife goes to Palm and them have a youth, a baby daughter, the brother say, and me I say it, the brother say the baby daughter ugly. And when him see how the baby ugly according to him say, I must born you did that give me that him I tell him wife. And him wife say, no, I'm not born me did that give you. But you see that ugly baby, the baby look like how me did look before me did take plastic surgery. And that's so she showed the man the picture, and the man must have seen the picture and said, Jesus God, that's how you did look.
You don't have time to when pretty people have ugly babies around.
Eh?
Have time to when
Well, certainly not in this case though.
Yeah,
Jamaicans have a thing about two ugly people bring pretty picnic. And that two pretty people can bring ugly baby. Jamaican have them foolishness dance.
Integers, man.
Me don't know what them a follow, but I always said in 9 times out of 10, the picnic will look like some or two of the parents them look. And the girl have some woman and go and trick you and I talk about, no. I think she take off from my grandfather. I want to trick you with all them things. You understand? One time I send on a jacket for you. Anyway, that
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Look at that. Bring it up, listen to my ears. I look a bit more the German, I look a bit more. Okay, it's all about ghetto debate right now. Ghetto debate. And for ghetto debate, again, when you say Roti, Okay, false here versus real here. False here versus real here. I want somebody to defend false here. I want somebody to defend real here. We want somebody to defend false here. I want somebody to defend real here. Okay, want to get the numbers right. Where is it, Chris Cross? Where is it about my mama? Eh? Where is it about my mother?
That's we have a theme.
You have the theme?
Yeah.
Okay, forget her, debate. We have the team, forget. Well, 1 second, remember, just give them the numbers them so they can call in. Okay, we want people calling, forget the debate right now. Calling, forget the debate. We want somebody to defend why it is okay for women wear falls here. Why falls here are sell off. Why falls here are sell down the place. And we want somebody else calling and defend and say, yo, Bona falls here around here. Bona look a fake here around here, you understand? All right, we want one person to defend falls here, and the next person to bone falls here, and to get to debate, cuss out, sitting. All right, Ruthie, tell me when we're ready, tell me when we're ready. We want one person to defend falls here, and the next person to bone out falls here, in to get to debate. We need 2 people real quick. Call in if you know so you can talk up the things and entertain up the thing and jiggy up the thing and mad up the thing and make we laugh and go on and thing and you're full of lyrics like that. So it's all about to get to debate right now. We're going to shut it quick and bring in our first contestant. Our first contestant, good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Hello, what's your name?
JB, just call me JB.
JB from where?
Oh, Mountain View.
JB from Mountain View. And which side you going to defend the thing now, JB?
Your own ear.
Yeah, you say you defend the natural here, you bona fides here. JB, burn it right away, JB. Okay, well, on for a second, this is JB from Mountain View. I burn out fides here, she's a natural here. And let me hear it, let me bring in the next contestant, Ruth, to the next contestant. Hello.
Hello?
Hello, what's your name?
Suzanne.
Suzanne from where?
Constant Spring Grove.
Suzanne from Constant Spring Grove. And Suzanne, you're going to defend files here, right?
Yes.
Okay, Suzanne, your contestant, your competitor is JB from Mountain View, and she a bona files here. Okay, Suzanne, I want you to talk to JB right now and take it to her and make sure you know why files here are run the place and files here is okay and cool. Start talk now.
I mean, with far as you get a wider variety of hairstyle, I mean, your normal hair just boring. How much hairstyle you can get from your normal? You might just curl it or you draw it and that's it. But as far as you have a wider variety, and about the fact, put it like this, whether far as you are really, you have human hair, so you both conquer the both sides.
But answer, JB, answer.
I have this pause here. Look here now. You see when you have your natural hair, especially for your gentleman. Your gentleman love feel the nice and natural hair. So when you hold it so, there's nothing to come off in his hand. But the father most of the time is dirty. Every 2 weeks, your natural hair can wash. Any style the father hair put in your hair can put in a natural hair can put in any style. If you do your cream, your run the hair, the cream style, you can put in any style and your hair look good. And that may make you know. I remember me tell you that sometimes you have sometimes you put on the father and see how it look, really look good. Only people I find most of the time see put on the ear and the ear look good. Because sometimes when you put on you can say, oh, it's hard from here, so it does look weird. Sometimes when the father want to do, if you saw them look like Madam Man. Remember, so when you naturally want to do, you can't.
All right, JB, hold a second. Susan, answer.
No, she can't say people are...
Talk to her. She named JB.
Ear, that's why it don't look good what it want to do. No matter what you buy human here, we don't have man for. We don't have man, dog. We say, what you do? Because the man spend money on stop buy synthetic hair, buy human hair and go hairdresser, go do the ear right. Spend no money. Look here, we have man, I want to buy all kind of synthetic hair. Come on.
All right, well, Susan, make your answer now.
Am I natural hair? Because my ear just spend your money, you fix up your nice. If you see my ear right now, it goes straight down and back, bouncing nice ear. Him love all you feel it and that's every style my ear can put it. Me say me just look in the glass more time and just enjoy all my ear. Look, my ear, I say one. But you see falls here, remember me tell you say, you see one of them can't afford it, remember me tell you, someone can't afford it, and remember me tell you, say, oh, you look just rugged, you know, look good. Remember me tell you, say, but you see a natural hair, even if it's a wear out, you can wash it and crimp it and let it go. Everybody I say one.
All right, well I know. Susan, I want you answer, but I want you take it to JB now and start talk up some things.
No.
I want you done her now. I don't want you hold back in them. I want the two of you now. Talk up the things out, Susan.
No, but just we can't afford here. What you gonna do? Me and Uma, we can't afford here. No grass in our face, no trees in our face. Man, ever go want me. So me have to get my money from any man me there with. Me have to have me here money, and me here after though. No, me try to flan, so me have to have my ear money back. You understand? And I want, that's why I don't want to lose the man, because I don't see them every day, I'm boring. You understand? I want the people now with charity and them say they want to go talk for a little while. They put in a little fire and them still look good. There's nothing wrong with that. There's no law against it. It look good, and no matter what you say, JVR, whatever your name, Fazia look good, and it's there for a reason, because number one, no people look good without Fazia. Enough people look like they never know how to describe themselves. Without Fazia, you know what I tell somebody what I look like? You don't know. Someone of you are jackass, they look good. So much time in the future. When you see the naturally member, me tell you some man. And they're ugly, and you fix it up. Put on your clothes, member, me tell you man. You say one.
Answer now, Susan, because you say you want to wear your father. You favor bounty killer. You favor ninja man. You favor jackass. Answer.
Me favor.
No. You shut up.
Everybody fights you.
Answer her. Talk to her. Susan, talk to her.
No, what you said, true, Susan. Sometimes it fits some people, but guess what? And everybody stays so. Yeah, people wear fit and it look good. Yes, people look. Some of them look away with the eyelashes, but that's why them go extravagant with it. But not everybody is the same. And sometimes little changes is good. You understand? You can't look the same way every God Almighty day. Your man go bored. Change up your look now and then. Put in a little curly ear now and then. Next thing you put in one straight ear or something. You can't look the same every day. And everybody for a monkey when they have a fast ear baby. Some people, it them look damn good in it. And as I said before, some people without fast ear, you would not like to see them. Them to a predator without fast ear.
All right, JB, because Susan did start. JB, you have the last talk.
One day me wash me ear, set it, and when me step out on the road, somebody said to me, say, where you have on? It's a curly fast ear, sit a girl. Me say, look here, feel me here. Feel it, dry it. Feel it and dry it. The girl said she can't believe. Your ear, I say, one. Any style. When fast ear, your cream naturally ear can fix in it. If you even no cream, it can still fix and look good. Any style it can fit in, and your face look good. But me I tell you, say, the ear, sometimes when some of them pass, you remember me tell you, say, you wonder for one of the garbage truck pass. You wonder for one of the garbage truck pass. Remember me have enough experience of that. I work at place, I have to say, my girl.
When you say, JB, the way the ear stink, you think a garbage truck a pass.
So weird, but that, remember me tell you, so, but you see when you have your nice ear, you drink come and sometimes when you feel it, remember me tell you, say, look, you see how the fast ear, you can't dry it too hard when you're in your bed. When come off in your hand. When you hold it tall here, when I shot every time, I'll grip it up. Remember me tell you, that's one of the best ones.
Okay. Righty. All right, we're going to take a break, and in the meantime, we're going to ask people to vote and post your vote. We're going to look over mixupyada.com. We're going to look on the AC wall, and we're going to look on fan wall and see the vote and thing. We want to know who win. And you're going to be honest, right? You're not taking a side, you just tell me who win. You can't pick either false ear or natural ear as the winner. Or if you want, you put JB because she defend natural ear. Or you put Susan, she defend false ear. Again, JB for natural ear or Susan for false ear. Okay, we're going to break and we'll come back. We're going to give you the results, basically. We'll soon forward. Vibes Cartel, hey, but Cartel know the things about the ear, eh? Yeah. And when him say if you want to look like Aliyah, and you want to look like one, and this and that, whatever, eh? Okay, Roots 5 calls say JB natural ear win, and thing, I am looking on, well, I try to bring up Mixup here, but we just look on fan wall and thing, and JB, natural ear, JB, natural ear, beer thing. Eh? No, nothing not going for false here. Nothing not going for false here. Look like everybody said a JB win. What? You're too wicked in a road. London, Paris, JB Win, Marie Sugar Plum, JB, Sugar Plum McDonald, Fancy Face, Nina Bling, Natural Ear Win, Raga, Tamara Fancy Waters, JB, oh, your Natural Ear Guan, so Suzanne Green, Miss Natural, so Suzanne, I vote for JB, now I vote for Suzanne, Natoya Mackenzie, Natural Ear all the way. Cavi stay good right, natural win Raga. Some girl favor donkey sister in a false. I don't know how donkey sister look. And thing Antoinette Fisher, natural here. Teacher Rush, JB win, JB again, match up. Sophia Spencer, Geneve Wright. That upon went name there, them there upon AC Wall and sitting, and it's pretty much the same thing over Fanwall. Maria Lopez, JB, Sasha Frass, JB, Rosie Good as Reed. Time is said, I don't know where Rosie get that from. Francine Garden, JB Straight. I don't know where Candy extra up the thing and I say weaver. Tam Q Robinson, JB, take it. Pretty Chopstick Diva China, Natural Here when that is JB. Derek McDonald said Larry can't spell JB, so him spell JC. Sarah Reynolds said natural. So JB take it. So I want to say congratulations to JB. Are they both there, Suzanne?
Yeah.
Suzanne, I want to thank you for competing. The consensus is that JB talk up the things that JB take it today. Yeah.
It's all right, that's cool.
Everything is everything. I want to thank you for competing though, and I'm sitting there. JB.
Hello.
Congratulations, boy. When you
Yes, Raga.
when you start out, you didn't start out. I look slow now. Yeah, so
Yes, Raga, come in nervous.
You didn't nervous.
That ear must take it because remember me tell you something, I have it all.
You have it all for real?
Yes, don't get on my back below.
Down on your back. So, you're natural. You're laid on your back. So you mix up.
It's cream.
It's cream. Okay. All right.
What you before in my back.
Okay.
And I cut it regular.
Mad.
In my back.
All right. And it in your back. See you, man. All right. Congratulations, Ruth. I'm going to take your name and number and sitting. All right?
Yes.
Blessings and respect. Okay, I get to the debate every Thursday. We do it. We come up with a fun topic, and we have two contestants to start up the things and rinse out the things and we have fun and listen and think. I hear the punchline and I hear the drama and sitting. So it goes. It's a mix-up entertainment show. And so we do the things then. We have some email here. I want to read them real quickly for you. Remember, so the topic I take you back mix-up. Take you back mix-up. Take you back mix-up. All right, I want to read some emails so you take you back mix up with it and take you back mix up. Chris Cross, before you move, though. All right, may I ask you now, which big debate on the road, which car take the show? Usually we can't tell if we know exactly which one or two car take the show yesterday, but a crazy debate. Which car let's say take the show yesterday, Chris Cross?
So me have two of them.
Two cars take the show. Which two?
One about Beanie.
The one about Beanie where the man has said Beanie.
Yeah, because I realize so now when we have to play Beanie, we have to call the brother there.
Call him and tell him.
Nah,
Make sure say woman of them out. And which other one?
And then the one of the brother was say, nah, go on that bed.
Say him nah go. Yeah, for him one shell down too. That one is shell down with the woman with thief him furniture. And thing and him go back and take it back and thing. Yo, him full of drama. Him mad like wow. Michelle, which car take it yesterday for you?
The one with the man who have to hang on the door on the back.
Yeah, him say that Chris Cross.
The man.
Yeah, that one that you said take
and
it.
Muma.
And Muma.
Muma got hard, man.
All right, Jermaine, who you say take it yesterday? The one with the brother when him hang on for them finger them and thing and whatever. Jermaine say him take it and thing and whatever. And who? And Muma. And thing. And who? I can't hear you.
And the Beanie one, he must say.
And the Beanie one. Well, me have a different from the whole land, you know. Mama, the shop, me not, but me tell you, for a long while now, me can't remember the last show where every call right through the show shot. Me cannot remember it. But the one we take it for me not lie. I don't know, probably I go done me for this, but the one where, the shocker for me, and the woman come catch her man and wear her G-string, man. In a short slipper. But you said I want to take it for your route. And I want to take it for your, yeah. And I want, I want to mash up my meds, you know, thing. When the woman come home, come catch her man, and wear her G-string, in a shirt, in a slippers and socks, in her G-string, and I act like I know, and I tell her, I say that normal. For real, and something. Yeah?
Yeah, run a vote to them. I'll see what the people
No, man, but a big debate on the road, which guy take the show yesterday and sitting and think crazy thing because the show they just mad yesterday. People, if on miss yesterday's show, on miss the one of the samplest show, you know, me attack since me at the radio. Since me at the radio.
time the other day again, by some whatever,
Yeah.
you have to run that show.
Yeah. Road, you just put on that date there. If we have to repeat that show, we just shot back that one there. Because I want to shell down like, wow, we not lie. I want to sell after the marks. Yeah. Anyway, so, and I just want to take the time for telling the people, I always tell them that this show is like life. And life, and every day the thing I go peak. So some days when the show not go too well, me and the phone I complain on, I gripe on, this on, that, and whatever. But you must just remember the days when they show them good, you know, when they show, and when they show them not that wonderful, and thing, you know, just bail and go on easy and stop being spoiled brats like some of you tend to be at times. But anyway, I'm going to read some email right now and thing. That one, the first email I said, we're going to big up to the two sisters, them where I take the same man. And when the mother tell the older sister, say the little sister take her man, the older sister vex with the mother. Also, big up to the man where him woman tell him, say, him for buy ticket for her for go to Bahamas. And when him carry her go to the airport, she just cut with a different man and go on a hotel for the time where she fi spend at Bahamas. That Maddie, you read the play? She tell him to buy ticket because she need to go to Bahamas, go do so and so some business or go buy and sell her something. And him say, all right, buy the ticket for her. And then carry her go to the airport and left her. And when him gone and think she goes to boom and whap with the next man and go in a hotel. Yeah. And fear Bahamas their hotel now. Because as far as him concerned, for him wife, they're foreign, you know. Yeah. That time at Jamaica, she their hotel. Because nobody can tell him anything because I drop her off at airport, you know.
And she do it down to the core and buy ticket everything.
That's why I tell you, say, I kind of vex them cut out the waving gallery from airport, you know. Because the waving gallery can't see when the people them walk going at the plane. And you have some people stand up and then wait till the plane door close, right? And then watch it because... Hey, me not hear what you say.
I want the sun and warm them up, them are waiting.
Me not busy. Yo, and who want come laugh off of me now, no free for laugh off of me, but me not care. I get to my bar and ground, we never have it. So when we did look a bit, sometime outing and big trip for we was just to go airport, go rave to people who you don't know. Oh. So no fun, no. What I laugh for? What I laugh for? Hey, God bless for my mama. Oh, because I'm not telling a lie. Me and my sister Marvelin. Sometimes big trip we put on with Sunday best and thing. And take airport bus. And gone out the airport and we come off. And everybody going out of the plane that we are wave to them. Nobody couldn't know, so we don't have nobody there. You understand? And we just a wave so. And a big trip that. Big trip that. Okay. And then we go home and we eat. We eat with jello. And think I will good again. You understand? You remember them days there? Jello pan Sunday. Mud! You understand? Yeah, no man, airport trip was a big thing back in the day, you know. Yeah. I want me to you. You just stand up out there, get the people that's a wave.
So like you don't get a hype off it, right?
No man, they not tell us it was a big thing, man. Nobody could talk to me when we go back to school. Yeah, when you go to school, I tell me, say, why you the Sunday? Yeah, you at the airport with them.
15 people more.
Right? And at them time, there was some confusing time for me. Because them time, I argue with people and I make them know, say, me know we're foreign there.
Oh.
Foreign up in the sky. And people that debate me and tell me, say, foreign up in the sky. And me know, say, the whole of them was a set of damn idiot. Because me know, say, foreign up in the sky. Why? Yeah. When we go airport, me see people that go foreign and them going at the plane go up in the sky and disappear. Then they must up in the sky foreign there. I went to some people, like me never say for myself. You understand? So big up them, boy, Pamela Scott, Miss Cherry, you dead and gone, but God bless you. When you used to carry good, and we used to think of the biggest thing in the man. We used to think that we are middle class, we are upper class people, look how we are going to airport. Yannick, you used to do that too, no? Mad, big up Paul and get up people, that's why them need to bring back the waving gallery. Because my mother will cook food and put it in a plastic out there, we sit down and eat food.
A convention.
A big trip, I want with you. Big thing, man. Yeah, man, when you wave till the time, you go sit down and eat your food, man. And back out your Kool-Aid, because during the week, lemonade and sugar and water on Sunday, Kool-Aid.
Shackleberry.
You understand?
You put on a special
no, man, you see, during the week, even if you call out the thing, a quench you get, you know. You don't know Quenchade
What
and
you talking
Kool-Aid.
about, Raga?
You know the difference between Quenchade and Kool-Aid? Kool-Aid did have more ratings than Quenchade, you know. You know that, no? Yeah. Yeah, because
Kool-Aid come with a little bit more flavor.
Kool-Aid have the jug, the round jug with the face on it and smile. You know, remember Kool-Aid?
Mr. Cool.
Yeah, Kool-Aid and thing, and you don't know it's a cool son the Kool-Aid come out.
And I think out here Quenchade they make and Kool-Aid make a foreign.
I must say so.
Yeah.
See that again, foreign mind thing. But me I tell a man after we wave and we are tired, man, and we go sit because them time me we us for boot, you know. But you can't stand up in the sun too long with them the boot there, you know. Because you know the one them and a real leather, but the one that will shine. Anytime sun catch you, you know that dog them mess up on your toe. And me say can't toe when me I grew up, you know. Oh God. Oh God, I mean, I can't do it. And you sit down, and we might take out the gungo peas and rice with the chicken, stew chicken and thing. And we sit down, we eat food in the corner under the shade. And after we belly full and we drink with Kool-Aid and thing, we go back and wave again.
Yeah, the next segment.
Yeah.
When I'm big up stew chicken car, and every Sunday we could eat fried chicken and I'll never did it.
Yeah.
So I have to work the
You
stew.
don't forget the
I
oil from the fat, Raga.
Apart from when you get the oil from the fat.
The oil fat. Yeah, man, we know about that.
But and all the time, the mother have the time for you waste the gas I get the oil.
True.
So she just suckle for the straw.
And you know, you can't know poor people, you know. You know, it says only ghetto. It's only ghetto means to this. When me I go tell you, it's only ghetto means to this. People eat off all of them food and left the meat for last. Whenever Tambourine, yeah, it's only ghetto means that people eat off all of them food, and then after you done eat off the rice, and then you sit down and it's like you're going to concentrate on the meat now because that's the best thing.
Worst
I
thing
tell you.
when it got drop in the right feed.
No, we're not afraid for that. Them days are when meat drop and go, you pick it up right back.
Same time.
Pick it up back.
Brush it off 2
And you
times.
know the famous Jamaican saying when we are doing that, what? Wanna kill you?
Fat, yeah?
Mud. Okay.
You know which one used to get that though? The ice, but ice no carry germs.
Ice no carry germs. Mud. Boy, those were the days, boy. Those were the days. All right. I can read some more email. Next email, Raga, a bartender girl thief $17,000 from a bar a Mandeville. She just start work there about 1 week now and rob up the man money and talk about she don't know where it there. The man say if she don't find the money, I'm going to kill her. It's a catty when me did that draw for. Still. But she not answer my call. So I go to the bar and I not see her. So I start investigate. And it's a youth to work, they give me the drama. See, they did that drama for a girl who went up at thief $17,000. Thank the Lord. So you never get that because she probably would take more from you. Next email, Raga, you get moms from playing with puppy. Yeah, man, we touch that. Next email, Raga, big up my ex-boyfriend. When I buy him an underpants and a watch, but when we left, me take them back. I'm going to wrap them in our shoes box and give them to the new man when me a date now for him 28th birthday. Tambourine. Some boy I for them gift and never know say a man get it before him. Anyway, next email, Raga. I think that the man wanting to have the G-string on his wrist during sex is hot. I am glad Jamaican men are getting more into the freakiness of sex. Okay. Next email. Raga, I do not condone violence, but a boy over Portsmouth did box a girl in November of last year because him called to her and she not answer. Tuesday she pay him back by dashing some acid in him face. I hope him never put him on for a woman again. I would have chop off him, man. Yo, that's serious, yo. Next email. Raga, I want you big up the dirty baby father. Whenever send me a love text message yet. But him can't send the Bonner girl love message. And she just forward them to me. And she not stop call me. And I done me. That's all I can do. That's all I can do. Because him and her can't spell 50% of the word them. Final email. Raga, love your show. I want you know, so I left Mandeville and go St. Thomas for come on your show at National Arena Christmas Day. And on reaching Bull Beer, I left Mandeville, go St. Thomas for come on your show at National Arena Christmas. I understand a part about. On reaching Bull Beer, the car just slammed in on one coaster bus, nearly killed me and my family. Determined to reach your show after the accident. We no bother wait till police come, because it did get late. And we didn't want to miss out on the show. We each a ride from Bull Bay to downtown and hit a JUTC bus to come arena. I have a terrible backache from the accident, but that still not stop we. Cause right now me dep on the government work, a thief analyst your program. Love your Raga. Radio name is Chiny. Yo, them people are serious, eh? Meet in a car accident and then we have to mix up and blend the national arena. And thing I say, I hear me right now, we not paying but we have a mission to accomplish. Okay, troops, let's go. Make we get something else because we don't want the police them come delay away. Get something go town, then all a bus come up and go want to mix up and blend up. Boy, I want to dedicate it, sir. That's why I'm not left out, you know. You understand? I not disrespect uptown people, you know. I not disrespect uptown people or anything. But boy, I have some people like, oh, boy, them stand by me. I know say if any trouble reach me right and I will not go defend me. I give thanks, I give thanks, I give thanks. All right, to the phone line we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Raga.
What's up? What's up?
Long time listener, but first time caller.
All right, talk up the things them to me, I know. What you say, I know?
What do you mean about swipe card?
You don't know what? Oh, you want to know what swipe card mean?
Yes.
It's an industry talk meaning oral sex.
I remember when you just come in with it.
Yeah.
My husband was listening to the show.
Yes.
And when him hear about the swipe card,
Yes.
you know most women share them private parts.
Shave. Yeah, shave, yes.
The man come in and start to curse me, he match it.
Nobody say it that way. But anyway, your husband say you shave yourself and make man a sort you out. Say sort you out, yeah.
Start me out, yes,
Yeah,
brother.
yeah.
And he come in and start to beat me over it in a rather.
Hold on. Why am I beat you up for? Why am I beat you up for?
Well, it's swipe card.
With what?
So me have man a swipe card me.
Because you start to shave.
Yes, sir.
Because I had made the argument to that you must shave. That I think is a good idea. So you never did a shave before.
I used to do it all the time.
But him never see you shave before.
Him still do it all the time, Raga.
So why him have a problem with you shaving now? Me not understand.
So you hear about the swipe card and take it to meaning.
What him hear we talk about it on the radio?
Yes, Raga.
And what me not understand. So why me still don't understand why him start beat you for?
The swipe card and man has me and start me out with it.
Why your husband thinks a man assault you out with swipe card? Why?
Raga is a person who just come in and start think about and have man and start to abuse me.
Oh, so but that is a larger issue that is separate and apart from the show. So him already steer so. Him already steer so and him just hear and listen them thing up on the radio and think say that I continue the problem with him think dead, don't it?
Yes, Raga. And I have to leave him about 8 months now. And the 8 months you leave him, you know, he take back his murdering and sell it.
Him take back the murdering from you and sell it?
Yes, Raga.
Oh, so wait, that's so long we I talk about swipe card, man. So I go a year now. So him take back the murdering and go sell it.
Yes, Raga.
So when is who him sell it to?
The man them that buy gold.
Oh, cash for gold.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but you're still married though?
We're still married. We can divorce till about a year.
How long now you married?
5 years, Raga.
How the law work? When you file for divorce, you have to wait for a year? Huh?
The only person has to leave 1 year, Raga.
Oh, you have to leave one another for 1 year first. Okay, I saw the law work. So you have to get a divorce?
We have to divorce him, Raga, because he might abuse me too much.
He might beat you up too much?
Yes, Raga, and 3 9 on my face.
And 3 9 on your face and thing. Okay. So you did that take man with him?
No, Raga. I'm not that type of person, Raga.
You not give on?
No, Raga.
But him just jealous and thing and insecure?
He's jealous of what me tell him son idiot, Raga.
Okay. Well, you had the courage to take yourself out of it and thing, and you go build back now and you go straighten out your life and make sure say you be very careful the next man you go get involved with, because you don't want to pick up a next man who go batter you again. Here?
Sure, Raga.
All right.
Yes, brother.
So then tell me something out of curiosity. You ever get your swipe? Anybody ever put them swipe card in your ATM yet?
I don't understand that, brother, so I don't really gonna tell you yes or no.
Okay, all right. Then if you, so
Yes, brother.
you never get a swipe card yet then?
No, brother.
No. Eh?
Hey, and him still the ring, brother, and every day he call me to go back home.
You go back to it?
I can't go back in a beat, brother.
All right, there you go. Smart woman you are. All right, you take care here.
Yes, brother, respect.
Respect, man. What that thing is. Here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yeah, I turn it off already. Raga?
Eh?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello, I have a mix-up, church mix-up to give you about Sunday.
Yeah, give me church. Your Sunday gone to church mix up your happen.
Yeah.
Tell me, man, it's fresh.
One little 13-year-old girl,
Uh-huh.
she catch into spirit and she start talk what the acting pastor doing. And the church member them and the pastor, acting pastor, one left him shoes, he car out of church and everything. And the church people then scatter. And most of the church people then scatter for the one then these come.
Well, I Tambourine. You say one 13-year-old girl get in her spirit and start talk out the things them. And she start read out what the pastor do. Eh?
It's not the senior past active pastor.
She start read out what the acting pastor go on with. Like church, like thief.
Church.
Because them afraid the little girl.
Them.
Them afraid the little 13-year-old girl go read them up to now.
Yeah, so everybody start when only few of them stand up.
A few of them stand up. Backside of them would have loved that the church is Sunday gone, you know.
IrieJam on Sunday.
Backside. So, all right, just tell me the year I went church, you know. Don't tell me the church, just the year.
On Shartwood Road.
On Shartwood Road, don't say another word, man. No.
Yeah,
all right, then. What Jesus, you can't imagine that. That the 13-year-old is talk up the things about the acting pass. I want to kill off the
My mother would have said no Holy Ghost chat too much, but he not tell lie. Read out him file.
Pastor run left his shoes, run left his car, run left every striking thing. Said, no, sir. God really a chatting about the 13-year-old. All wicked they look like they really want to kill off a senior pastor. But you have to think say it's true because the only other reason why not to unless the church member them did have a clot him up and him have to run.
True, yeah.
But apart from that, if the girl does attack and in cut and run left all in shoes and in car, which man you know can run left in shoes and in car?
No, but a man of God at that.
A man of God at that.
Who knows that God has his back.
Yeah, and they
that's something, man.
Yeah, no man, something, man. They look like they're try pass the senior pastor for true. I think that. No, you know, this 13-year-old, you know where I want to bring this 13-year-old girl. I want to drop her over TVJ. And then say, after we're done with TVJ, we just go some boom and go up on the broadcasting commission. Then we left the broadcasting commission and we just go women's media watch. Then we left this and we stop at you, eh?
Oh, Jesus.
And say, read, baby, read. Talk, baby, talk. You don't know. And then the final place with that figure, because we can't, you know. Parliament. Parliament with that for Japan. Parliament. I said, just free up. Let the spirit free up.
Let the spirit move.
Let the spirit. Why? When she don't talk, when she start talk, the amount of people with that ball, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, we cannot have this little girl in here saying all these things. Order, Mr. Speaker, get her out of here. I hope she know them sitting there. Mr. Speaker. Okay, people are going to break with soon forward. Well, and Bruce, and I said, no, get her out here. Not in my cabinet. We're soon forward.
I mix up and blend that time.
I want to call and talk up the things them.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in I sitting with me, the king of Mixup, Ragashanti, the principal, Miss Jerry Wash Belly. Big up all of my mile gully St. Mary people. Let me know. There's my mama place and thing. You know, Miss Jerry. Live on there. People that they still know her and thing. My dead and gone. But boy, we have to give thanks to country people and sitting. And thing. Large up on yourself over there. Now left for now. St. Mary linky, then boom bang thing. Turn up this little bit in my ears. Just a tad bit in my ears. In my ears, well, because I don't know about it. Okay, to the phone lines we go. Mix up with a good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon, Raga.
Good afternoon.
Raga, Happy New Year.
And the same to you.
Raga, this woman live with her baby father, you see, Raga?
Yeah.
And she find a swipe away from her baby father.
Yes.
And after the man move her out, Raga, you don't know what the woman do come back, Raga, come move out everything out her baby father house, Raga.
Hold on. After the baby father, after the swiper, good, and then she got there with him.
Yes, Raga.
And the baby father move her out.
No, Raga, she come move out things out her baby father house.
No, so what me answer, she did go live with the swiper?
Yes, Raga.
Okay, and then she come back, come move out the thing them out her baby father house?
Yes, Raga, down to the toilet bowl, Raga.
A lie you telling her?
Raga, we'll make tell a life.
She
Raga, the woman come with a dumper truck.
She
And
come.
move everything, Raga, every nook and cranny down to the toilet
All the
bowl,
toilet bowl she gone with.
down to the toilet bowl, Raga.
So what happened to the baby father? Wait.
All my do, Raga, just sit down and look at poor thing.
And do what?
Sit down and look like poor thing.
So him don't know where she live now.
Raga, she lives somewhere in a center mass now, Raga.
And I wish part the baby father they live. Where him live?
Up in a center, Raga, past Papini and come up.
Oh, so him don't know where in a St. Thomas she there then.
No, Raga, after the wicked woman move out everything, Raga, the woman can, the man got family to fit the maintenance.
Hold on. After she move out everything and take the toilet bowl and everything and whatever, then she carry him go family court for pit the maintenance.
Yes, Raga, say him now mind the pit in the Raga. Raga, the man pay the money, the man get locked up in a jail for 6 months, Raga. After the man I tell you, George, everything, say the woman move out everything, washing machine, bed, everything. If the woman could not take paint off of the wall, Raga, she take off the paint off of the wall.
All right, here's a question. Why should, you know, so me don't join the thing when, God them say when man wicked, you hear people I say, what a wicked money. When woman wicked, you have no people I say, I wonder what the man do for make she wicked. So right, as if say woman can just wicked independently. So when me ask you do is, the man did do her something make sure move so cool against him?
No, Raga, the bill one little shop and give the woman, Raga, but maybe she even a swiper. You understand? Because maybe she want to swipe in.
But oh, you know she swiping sweetheart Mexico.
Raga,
Eh.
Raga, that the on billboard.
What you mean?
Raga, everybody knows her that, Raga. Everybody knows her that.
No.
Swiping. Because don't you see talk it, Raga, the man can't do no more swipe.
Say, who can't do nothing but swipe?
The man was separate from her baby father.
The man was swipe her from baby father. She said the man they can't do nothing more but swipe.
Yes, Raga.
And she still left her baby father for that man there.
Yes, Raga, because she swipe, she wants swipe, she get.
So it look like the swiping really a connect with her, man.
Yes, Raga.
Okay. What you think about the swiping?
Raga, every day me I walk and want somebody to say to me, say, I be but I swipe, you know.
What you want to try to?
Yes, Raga. Then everybody have the experience. Why me? Me, I say, you tend to drop off. It wants me to drop off to Raga.
Tambourine! So you never get a swipe yet?
No, Raga.
Are you well want to try right you know?
Raga, me say, me don't mind. Somebody said to me, say, you tell me that swipe, yo.
So
Me not say no.
if a decent looking man come up to you right you know, yeah, and whatever and say, would I put on a swipe for you, you give him the green light.
Yes, Raga.
And you give him the green light because, why you say why? Because what?
Me want me 10 to drop off of my body, Raga, and come on back.
Okay, because you hear say other woman I get it too.
Yes, Raga.
Okay, what you hear the woman them a say?
Raga, me here say you reach up in the sky. Me here say just a float and go up in the ear, so Raga. So me don't know if it's true.
You want to find out if it's true though?
Yes, Raga. Raga, me here say when I lie down on the bed, Raga, you just a float up in the ear, Raga, so Raga, you told them a drop off of your body.
True.
Me want to experience, Raga.
Yeah, okay. You know a gentleman named Bad Boy Trevor.
That's Jesus Christ, yes, Raga. Me come all your show and see him.
You see Trevor, don't you?
Yes, brother.
All right, then. We have to go see if we can work up a thing for you and Trevor.
Lord God, brother, you have my number, so guess what?
Me,
you just work up that.
Me have your number?
You put have my number, Raga.
Oh, Ruth have your number.
Yes,
oh.
brother, you know what talk to you?
How old is?
Raga, hot and spicy, Raga.
Hot and spicy, where you say hot and spicy? Hot and spicy, you never get a swipe yet.
No, Raga.
We're gonna see if we can get Trevor to do a thing for you, yeah?
Yes.
If you go down to stages and just ask for somebody named Bad, or ask for Tango, or ask for Bunny, or any one of them, or ask for IrieJam, and just tell them that you need for say Trevor. Then we give you the link and tell Trevor, me say, he must give you a swipe. So that you get the experience.
Brother, if you for me go, because tell me, so when you live a country, you see, one man catch crab loaves. And the man come to him and tell him, say, catch crab loaves and ask him, when can you get rid of it? And tell him, man, to buy some gas oil. And go down to the seaside and buy one box of matches.
And buy one box of what?
Matches. And throw the gas oil round the standpipe.
Throw the gas oil, okay, code I use. Throw the gas oil around the standpipe.
Yes, Raga. When he throw the gas oil around it, he strike the matches and throw upon it. But the man in my heat, no Raga, he go buy the gas oil and throw upon it, no Raga. And burn it up and matches go jump in the water and cool it. But he said the crab knows any dead.
Well, what the matches for use do?
If you use the matches and strike, you know, we catch a fire. And burn up the crab knows in the Raga.
So what? Me I try. Well, me I try if you understand, but me I try if you understand.
The crab knows down there upon the standpipe.
Right, upon the standpipe. And we know what the standpipe is because I use code. Right, okay.
Exactly. So through the crab knows them, they pan it. Now, my cousin tell if you buy the gas oil and buy one box of matches.
Me understand up to that part. So wait.
And light, that's kind of light the crab knows on fire.
So wait, so you for really, so you never tell him if he light himself with the matches?
Yes, Raga.
And make this catch a fire?
Yes, Raga.
Oh, and then as you kill him, quick you jump in the water.
Yes, Raga.
Listen, hold on. Just before you continue, I just want to issue the following disclaimer. Nationwide 90 FM and the Ragashanti live show is not in any way suggesting or recommending that anybody use this process you just described as a solution to address any problem of small insects inhabiting the body. Okay? We are not in any way suggesting, and in fact, we would go as far as to tell people don't try this at home, nor at sea or at the beach. Don't do it. But anyway, go on, talk.
Yes, Raga. So he said throw the gas oil, but he couldn't wait and just try the matches, guys start burning him.
Because the gas oil start burning him,
Yes, I said just jump off into the water, but the crab don't say hand up there and the standpipe ain't not burn up, but you know the standpipe come back after a while.
The standpipe come back after a while, yeah. And it's interesting that you phrase it that way when you say the standpipe come back.
Yes, Raga, because you know say standpipe not that burn up bad.
Oh, no, but why would I know? You say if I know, I don't know.
No, me, jeez.
Yo, that's the word, but why you call it standpipe? Because standpipe, everybody go there, so you know. Everybody go there, standpipe for water, no so you know. Everybody go the whole community go standpipe for water.
Yes, so probably everybody got at the standpipe when they catch a crab load.
Exactly. All right, that's spicy.
One more. I'm big up the woman who use her husband phone and text her bonaman and tell if you meet her at half a tree.
Use her husband phone, text her bonaman?
Yes, Raga.
And tell the bonaman to meet her at half a tree?
Yes, Raga.
Then, she erase it after or something?
No, Raga. Then I find the text in the phone, Raga, because she don't have no sense.
So then our husband find the text in her phone?
Yes, Raga.
Dear me, idiot. So what you do to her now?
No, tell the husband say she going to look for crisscross, and then she going to look for pretty boy flied.
Okay. Why? Some people now have much sense with them, they sitting there. Anyway, hot and spicy, may I try work on that thing there with bad boy Trevor for you, yeah?
Yes, Raga. God bless you.
You're welcome.
All right, brother.
Yo, without apology, hey, you know what's I'm rate Mari over Jerry Springer? No, man, Mari, when it come to mix up, man, and them DNA testing them, man, I tell you, man. You know, so them are doing a DNA testing, them, you know, and you know, them can't have some face to chat before. One boy said, that kid ain't mine. That kid is a combination of everybody in the community. The kid over. They said, that kid ain't mine. That kid is a combination of everybody in the community. Oh, boy, Jesus. I know they put the turn on for me female. They put the turn on for me female. They put the turn on. Why I tell you, say, I see one door. Yesterday, I watch one man. And when I tell you, say, they pick the fever the boy. You know. Dead stamp. The boy have a kind of triangle face. They put down the try. See him, I see him, everything. I say, no, sir. Usually, I'm very careful. But I said, I want you, I must him. I must him. I tell you, the pick that the dead stamp on the boy. I know, say, I don't feel it. Yo, I don't care nobody what I say, you know. I tell all man out there, if you have the slightest doubt, DNA. If you have the slightest doubt, DNA. You understand? Hey, when you watch, I don't care nobody. You see that mix-up show that then, you know, you can learn, look at something now for them, man. You ever see how some of them women there, them run up to the picture, look at this guy, look at that. And then they turn on, and it's only him, nobody else. It's only him. And Jerry and Mary asked them, was there anybody else? No, none. I am 100% sure. And then it's when him said, you are not the father. And then run away. And at that time, when Mary go and say, well, obviously there must be some. Well, there was the 7 other guys. Why so woman wicked with a kid about it I say. So woman wicked, yo. Okay, to the phone line to go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Greetings.
I'm calling about a mix-up about my baby father.
Uh-huh.
I'm on the air?
Yeah, man, you're the on the air, man.
All right. Well, one time, yes, what you must swipe me, right? You can't talk too loud, you know?
Yeah, your baby father did swipe you, yeah.
You know, so, you must swipe me and, you know, you must say, I'm going to use some stuff. I say, what kind of stuff? I say, rum. Sometimes I say, no, I can't go with the ice cream because you know the ice cream kind of better. He said, no, yeah.
Well on. Stop. You have to be careful what you say, yeah?
Okay, all right.
All right, then. So, he must swipe you, and him say, I use little rum.
Yes.
And you tell him, say, no, you're rather the ice cream. Cause of the,
yes, because, you know, the ice cream kind of, more nice stuff.
Oh, the ice cream. Hold on, because you know, use the ice cream already, right?
Yeah, we use the ice cream. And you know,
okay, which flavor I want to use? Which flavor I want to use?
The ice cream vanilla.
Vanilla flavor. Okay. Yeah. All right, then. So, but this time, he say, I use some rum with the swiping.
Me said simple, no, you can't use the rum because the rum kind of too raw.
Raw.
One side, raw.
Yes.
So, when you want to put the rum, the rather, you think you need to think and you say, no.
Well on. Me can't hear what you say, man. Yeah.
No, him saying face will burn him.
Him face.
What do you mean it will burn you? He says will burn him and he says, if you go back, no. It will burn about 15 minutes after that. Me one side and I start, brother, Jesus Christ. He said, no, hospital. He said, no, come from. He said, what's the door, doctor? When we go for the doctor said, no, excuse me, what's going on? Oh, your face is like that. We said, that's a rotten teeth. He said, no, rotten teeth, no. Something.
Well, you know, say, well, you're not talk clear, you know, you laugh out the joke, so you have to talk for we understand what you say. So, when you go doctor, in face swell up then.
In face swell up.
Well, stop right there so before you go any further. Then, none of the rum never touch you.
Yes, I found him sure the rum is a run off.
Then, I want it to run off. Then, me not understand. Then, how the rum burn for him face and not burn you there so and there's some more tender than him face?
When he must show the rum and run off, he must catch it. He must, you know?
Oh.
You know?
Oh, man, I understand. So the rum did just a bounce off for you.
It's a bounce off of me and a bounce on him. Yeah?
And a bounce for him in a film face.
You want to laugh, but because he look, me just sorry for him. So, this is the whole
so, well, so he might chew the rum and it just a bounce off right this upon you and a bounce.
On him.
And a bounce for him and then he might catch it though. So he might catch it with him out.
So, because we are telling you, right?
Well, him did I catch it with him out?
Yes, with him out.
Okay, so him just a season up the rum, man.
Yeah, and him out. After him out, that him out. Chip up. Because the rum did too raw, you know.
The rum did too raw. But then,
raw.
I tell you straight and plain, you know. You see, if the rum did too raw and it chip up him face, but it not do you nothing, so then right this upon you most tough, man.
No.
Eh?
No,
but me I say if the raw rum mash up him face and it not do your nookie nothing, then no mean say your nookie strong like a woman.
It's strong nookie.
A strong nookie.
It's a resist anything.
Tambourine! Why? Yo! Big up your nookie strength. Oh, okay. Then wait, so I go hospital now. I'm going to tell the doctor, say, a rotten teeth make him face well up, so.
The doctor said, what do you? I said, toothache. And he said, no, this is not toothache.
Eh.
Then the doctor come and said, what is going on? What did you guys really do? I said, nothing, doctor. He said, no, man, this is not toothache. Doctor, I can't talk because, my boyfriend, one thing to do it. Can't go. I'll tell him back. So what should I do? Exactly what.
You not talk clear, man. You talk like say you still talk to the doctor. We are talk to no, man. So you have to
no, we can't talk to the
no, but it don't make sense because we need to hear you. So if we not hear you, you have to talk so we can't hear you.
No, I said the doctor saying she know exactly what's the problem. But me I said I know nothing like that. So
right.
I try to sweet it up. I mean, so she will go back and tell him.
Okay, man. Yeah, protect
doctor, you know?
Protect your man. And a family, yeah, protect your man.
Yeah, so me have to kind of protect him. I don't want to stop this, because I say, swipe it to the right.
Okay.
Oh, nice thing, man. Just really nice.
Swiping nice. So when you are swiping back, what you use? You ever use back the ice cream pan?
No, man.
You what?
Well, you just said a while ago.
No, myself, like when you are doing back now, you ever use the ice cream pan when you are doing back?
No, me not do it. Only him, no?
You not do it?
No.
So it's only him do it's only your husband
only
do it?
Him do it.
You never do it yet?
No, me not do it.
Him never ask you if you do it yet?
He never asked me. No, not really.
It's just him alone do it to you?
Him like that.
Him like do it to you, but him not like, him never once yet ask you if you want to do it to him?
No, he not ask me.
You ever volunteer if you do it to him?
No, rather, no.
No, so you don't want to do it to him?
Maybe to my husband, but not to him, you know.
What you say, you would do it to your husband, but not to him?
Not to him.
Hold on, the man what you talk about, I know your husband.
No, my husband. I'm not married, but I have to do that only to my husband that I do it to.
Okay, so if you married somebody, you would do it to that person that who you're married to, but you're not do it to him. But you would take it anytime the man want to do it to you, you take it do.
Yes, anytime.
And you enjoy it do and you say it nice, right?
It's nice.
It's nice.
If you give me a plate of food and you give me that, me take that. You don't want no food. Trust me, it works.
If somebody I give you that, I tell you. All right, baby. All right, go on, baby. No, man, no. Some people I say I lie, but I misunderstand the thing, you know. Right? Because me did I think I lie, but the reason why I not think I lie, I not understand where the rum I go. Now, if she said the rum did go at a certain spot, then it would be a lie. But when she said the rum I go, it can be true. You understand the quote? You understand the quote? All right. I read it with the pants, so we have a quote. Some spot more tender than other spot. You understand? I'm going to put it another way. If you throw salt in your eye, it will burn you. But if you shut your eye and throw the salt on top of your eye, it not burn you. Argument done right this. Argument done right this. But the salt still a touch your eye either way. But in the eye, different from top of the eye. Okay. Here, that are my experts. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yeah, Raga.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, good afternoon. It's all about you every time.
All right.
Every day, but listen to this. So I appeal off my laugh, yeah. Nobody here, yeah?
No, sir.
We talk about radio a while ago with the rum.
Yeah.
But that's what I tell you, Raga say. You still outside fragrance, never smell right. And I tell you straight for the bomb explode. Bye, love you, bye-bye.
Oh, the one that go, what you say, what you say?
Me say the fragrance house never smell good.
Okay.
And the bomb explode.
And the bomb okay.
I eat more up in face.
I eat
If I kill the sesh. So first him normally dilute so him smell one more than the other, but no it too strong, man. I'm gonna kill it.
Yeah.
Kill it a little bit.
Hey, you see how the liberty take it out wicked. Give me an next call like quick there. Oi. Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Greetings to you, Mr. Shanti.
And the same to you.
And
Yeah.
how are you, baby?
I am doing quite good, baby.
Dirty backside Raga winery this.
Winery, what you say?
Part you. Oh, you don't call me, I hear me up. Me not like that, you know.
No, man.
You know, so me not hear nothing.
No,
See?
I choose. No, man. Here I know. Phone, you know. Phone. Not different phone. Me have to lose all of them numbers and things, man.
Oh, well, anyway, me can run to for mix up on you right now.
All right, then, yes.
One time, me go braid me ear around one girl. So me go get me ear braid.
Mm-hmm.
Me carry 2 pack of braid. When me carry 2 pack of braid now, the ear did I do, so the girl now by the time the girl to reach in the middle, the 2 pack of braid couldn't done me here. So one guy, one famous person come on, but he one businessman.
Right.
So he come at the house and he see me ear a braid and so he say, all right then, he will buy me 2 pack of braid. He might buy me 2 more because 2 when me go with couldn't do me here.
Right.
So anyway, he tell me say, he might go buy the braid and then he might go carry the braid come give me. Because me have to leave from the girl house because me here couldn't done.
Right.
So me leave from the girl house and the guy carry the 2 pack of braid come give me and tell me say me if meet him at Folly. That's a Greenfield Hotel in the night.
Right. The grass there. So when you hear wine, it's a Greenfield Hotel. A beer grass, so it's a green field, but it's a place in Port Antonio where people go and engage in pleasurable extracurricular activities on the green fields, and it is commonly referred to as Greenfield Hotel. So you never go to Greenfield Hotel, go meet him over there now for do the things them. He come back and take back him here.
Come back and take back his 2 pack of braid there from me.
Then was it the arrangement that you will meet him over there? But
here, after I carry 2 pack of braid, come give me. He tell me when he carry them, come give me. He tell me say anyway, if you meet him like over Folly, in like such and such a time.
Oh, okay. Now me understand it because I thought it was that before him buy the pack of here, the 2 pack of here. Una did agree for me down there.
No, me not agree. I can't care. Come give me. I give me the 2 pack of bread. And me want to come take it back out on me.
Okay, you want to consult you out for 2 years. Like him, then I would tell him say ear sort out you have.
Me don't know what to do him.
I want me to him.
On my ear end up still do.
Hey.
I could afford to buy 2 more pack, but through the dirty man tell me say I'm going to buy me.
Yeah.
Yes, so I buy and care come give me. And then 2 minutes go nowhere with him. He come back and take me back in 2 pack.
Come back, contact back. Make him go along. Well, I know I will break. We come right back to you here. Soon forward.
A mix-up and blender time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the things them.
Welcome back up in I set now mix up and blender entertainment you say with me, the king of mix up. Ragashanti back to a call a winery outside of Portland there. And yeah, your second mix up now winery.
Yes, Raga. Me want to big up one certain TV personality where carry bed going to the man house. But put on the bed in the man house and she not have no money to pay for the rent. and I want uptown person. The man I rent the house, then cut off her light, which part she live. And when they cut off, disconnect her light, the man I renting house, and she go there and ask the man if he can get in place to rent one apartment.
Yeah.
The man say yes. When the man say everything, I go paint out the house first. When the man I paint out the house, the TV personality carry the bed, got the house, but put on the bed in the house, and I have no money to give the man. When the man asks him want him money, she say, if the man can't wait till month and give him half. The man say not even on deposit you know come with. The woman say no, if the man can't wait till month and give him half of the money. The man tell the girl say, go back to your mother yard because you're not ready for this yet. And what happened, Raga?
Well on the German, just play music. Yes, Winery, I just had to speak to you briefly in private there for a second.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, man, go and talk now.
Well, you know, appear ill, the ill long like a unicorn. And she will appear tie up clothes. The man say, go back to your mother yard because you're not ready for this yet.
Oh, God, man, but probably she never have a look of money, auntie.
Listen, rather you can have a red place uptown in a people's apartment. And you're going without money, and not even on deposit.
Well, that's true.
The man say month and give him half of the money, not half.
No, that's true. I mean, if she don't have the money, you don't go tell a landlord, say, oh, you're ready for the place, and you know full well, say, you have to pay your first month rent and deposit at a minimum, and then you go in and after you move in your bed, you tell the man about for wait until month and you get... No.
The bed supposed to in and not come out yet.
No, well, Ashira.
Every time when me look and I watch the TV, I feel I laugh. Because me can't tell nobody. I can't tell nobody this. I feel I laugh.
Every time you see her on the TV, I think there's a pop-up.
Yes, I remember I said the bed in my man.
Weak. Oh, God.
You want to tell Attack Spicy say that name that when she have.
Yeah.
She need to go the way where she said she want to go.
Oh, you say she can't have a name. She cannot have the name Attack Spicy and not get a swipe yet.
And then she never get a swipe yet, Raga.
Hey, what you say? That don't make no sense.
No, because the name, she have a nice name, Ash and Spicy.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
So she need to experience swipe.
She need to get a swipe. Okay, all right then. All right.
Raga, I want to tell you one secret. I don't want nobody hear.
Yes.
This, you know me, I whisper.
Whisper it for national radio because we don't want nobody
here. We
here.
don't want nobody here. So, me have to know which part you live, but me not talk. We go through the window and watch you when you pass.
You what?
Me have foot to know which part you live.
Okay, enough for this conversation now. Moving right along.
I'm not telling anybody.
Yes, moving right along.
I won't do that. I will come for my champagne when I'm ready.
All right, then, wine.
So what are you going to do?
Yeah, mama, good mama. There you give thanks, man. Blessings and respect. When you say tell Cliff, you say what?
Because we not hear you, we can't get you.
Over Portland, no?
Yes, I'm one here.
Me know. We talked to him about it already, so him and Lenny are work on it, yeah?
Okay, I'm going to big up my sister Footy.
Big up Footy, man, long time, man. Anyway, Footy, they'll tell her to large up herself, here.
Yes, better tell her and take care of yourself, you're rooty.
All right, blessings and respect.
Baby.
I love you too, sweetie.
Bye.
Bye. Boy. You have to love them call and all when they not here, they still a call you like the mix. Mad. But Footy and Winery, man, a long time link them there and left me out a inch. Mad again. Here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello. Take you back Mixup or any other sample Mixup. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Hello. Yes, greetings.
Yes.
Yeah.
Maybe Mixup today about one of my friends we got somewhere go work. She got one place for work uptown.
Yeah.
One man, I want an white hair.
Yeah.
And she did her work and she work and so, but I'm mostly man uptown because the man leave and him go work and come in back and so, but she don't really see the woman seeing most time.
Okay.
Anyway, she said one day she go to the bed and she got some time.
Hold on. Your phone a break up a little bit. So go somewhere where you not break up here.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Can you hear me better?
Yeah, go on talk now. Go on talk.
Yeah, she said she go to the garden go pick some lime or something, or lemon or something.
Right.
So she said she went to the garden, so she realized she see the woman up on the balcony.
Yeah.
She said she don't take it as nothing. She said anyway, she look again and she said, the woman topless or something, but she said she don't take it as nothing. Because you know, I was like a white woman like.
Yeah.
Anyway, she said, one man she look again. Raga, she said when she look again, she see something when I was supposed to for the woman. She said the woman have an organ for a man, Raga. She said, you couldn't like say she got dropped. But she like say she don't know what to do. So the man don't have a female organ. You don't understand me?
But the woman, in other words, the woman have a penis.
Yes, Raga, so the woman have a penis. My friend said she correct because she's like a Christian woman.
Yeah.
The bigger woman than me, you know. She said she correct, she's going to get in the street, like she start getting in the street or something and speak in tongues.
The way she shocked, the way the shock take her down.
She said she dropped, yes, Raga, she said she dropped the life, and something run over there. She said she just tremble, she just stopped trembling, Raga. She said she don't call that first, you know, said that country woman, Raga, so she not used to them things there.
Oh.
She said she just
Hold on. She a country woman that used to them things, but trust me, darling, 98% of Jamaica don't used to it either. All right?
Raga, she's talking that spirit and speaking tongues or something.
Poor thing, I frightened, she frightened, you know. I frightened, and the shock I take her, you know.
Because she said she always, but Raga, one time she invited me up for the house, you know, because the man cool like that, and so, but she have visitors, so. And the boat, I really like for the woman, and I said, something about that woman in a right, you know. But she don't really stay around much people see her, because she dressed up in a clothes like woman and nail polish and makeup and say, you know. And we have something about that woman in a right, you know. We never really take it for nothing, you know, you're not already free too tough.
Right.
I must say, when she tell me cannot shop, but never really shop. And she come down for the Christmas and she said she now go back up there because she rebuke all them things there.
Okay.
And she don't really believe if a man is a woman or a war or what. She said she don't know.
Well, you have these, what's the term? Transvestite? Is it? Is it transvestite? Huh?
Rather, I mean, I really don't know.
No, may I tell you, you have,
She said a woman have breasts and woman have...
No, you have so-called women out there, them look 100% woman, have breasts, shaped like woman, everything, whatever, and they have a penis.
But Jamaica, Raga?
So, of course, them they all about, them they all over the world, them just don't...
This is a woman for road, Raga, and thinks that is a female, is that a female?
No, but that is why people need to listen to a show like this, because we expose the things them. There is a certain percentage of all human beings that born with all of the exterior organs of one gender, one sex, one gender, and really have the genitals of the other gender. You understand?
Oh.
Yeah. So you have
She said the woman and him husband go out and say no to you know Raga. Like the woman and husband go. So people now be there look and say, you know.
Now what is really going on there is that man is probably a homosexual who have a man who look like woman when hold on. Him is a homosexual who can walk around with what appears to be a woman and nobody now suspect him. But it's really a penis that woman have. And him can do the things with that person. And put your friend now go get work up there and think now probably go see the strength now and just poor thing.
Raga, she's stressed out. Raga, me say she's stressed out because woman partner.
Hold on. What you say? When she see the strength, she start trembling, talking in tongues.
She start speaking in tongues. She's supposed to say,
Poopa, Jesus, and what that you have there, so, and where you get that from,
Raga, woman partner right now, Raga, she's nervous and things like she don't know if to angle them.
Yo, no, you see how she, she poor thing, she really sleep and I work like a man, she just jump over. You see how she, hey, hold on.
Don't call.
Hold on, somebody say hermaphrodite. No, an hermaphrodite has both organs. Okay? That's a difference. An hermaphrodite. So if this, somebody was just saying it's an hermaphrodite, but from what you're telling me, if the other organ...
No, me see woman, something about the woman never right, but me couldn't put my hand on it. I couldn't tell her what, but just was something about the woman you know, right.
Okay. Well, if she have both of them, you know, because you have some, unfortunately, have some people born with both, you know. They're born with a penis and a vagina. You have people born with that. Now, based on where she wouldn't be able to really see the vagina that good, but she probably see the penis given its dimensions.
She didn't mention nothing about the vagina.
No, but man, the way she shocked, she don't even have time to see if that dead in mind.
She said she dropped the line and she just going and she saw the man come in, she just nervous and the man attacked her, rather. I said the man up front, you know, the woman up front not at all. The woman like staying and smoke and something, and sometimes she said she go for the road, go to shopping and so, but she not really. They not so the thing set, man, and just keep she then a man and just hide her off this a man or whatever. Maybe enough man, maybe a woman in the yard, like, you know, they think a woman and a man too.
Then that me I try to tell you.
Jamaican man,
I don't know about enough, but I would think that, of course, no, put it this way. Listen to me careful now. Yeah, listen to me careful now.
Yes, brother.
There is a certain percentage of society, a certain percentage of people in different countries, on average, that born that way. So whether it's 1% or 2%, what I'm saying to you is, wherever you go, you have these type of people exist out there, but them obviously not going to show it up to people.
True.
And then some people get what is referred to as corrective surgery. So if somebody born with 2, them can choose to be the woman part if them feel them are more woman and them will cut off the penis. Some people keep it, right? And some people, them outward appearance they look like a woman, but them have a penis. Or them outward appearance will look like them a man, totally man, but they may have a vagina.
True.
But these people exist and we need to learn and know so them things that exist. Because, you know, so she could have dropped down dead right there, so.
Yes, because she dropped the line and just start trimming and she had getting a screw.
Yeah, but you see, but with all due respect, what I'm telling them need to make people know about these things in school.
True.
Them need to make people know about them things in school because when you don't understand something, when you buck up on something like, if you don't mind shot, some people are chop up people, kill them, you know. Just from the shock, you know. Yeah, chop up somebody, kill them or whatever, just from the shock. You understand? So we need to be educated.
Probably not really so getting a spirit and anything about.
If you see a woman and they are relate to person, you say you're good girlfriend. They say good girlfriend, you're good girlfriend. And one day she said she's gonna be here just before the 2 hours go to fiction or go quarter asylum or whatever the building and thing. And just when you turn around back for go pick up something off of the dresser and she come out of the bathroom and she have one long level piece of strength there. And you think by your girlfriend, what you do right? What you do when you see that?
Maybe I run out of the house or something.
Why? But me glad say your friend survived it, but me know based on where she there, you know. So when I time she will just eat her food and just end up all a fling all the plate, you know. Yes, hey, you can't imagine that.
The woman, the 2 women get a nightmare. They tell me that still before she go on, she not get over it.
No, but she not gonna get over it based on the type of person because it's a country she come from, she not no exposure to certain things and blah blah blah, and she's a Christian woman and all these things and whatever. Poor thing, you see how she, you know.
She said she not go back.
No, go back.
Them host there.
You can't imagine how she, you know, go out there with a man and have a new man and one day she just turn around and see a new man up on the balcony and get all some flashback and all them. Boy. Anyway, blessings here.
All right, Raga.
Yeah, man, you take care. Hey, there's some serious thing going on in the world when the founder don't know about and thing, you know. So we just want to know. And again, Ruth, an hermaphrodite has both genitals, okay? They have the female genital and the male genital and thing. And so I think set up on a one. But some people come with one. It's like everything else in them a woman and then we have a penis. Alright, everything in them a man and then we have a vagina. And don't ask me to explain how that. Me don't know how that. Probably the scientists then will tell you or whatever or so forth. And unfortunately, Jamaicans love to interpret these things as like I say a God curse them or something something them parents do and the sin come back from the picnic and all them thought. It's It's what is referred to as genetic anomaly. You understand? Or a genetic abnormality. Bonsaneda call FM. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, greeting.
Greetings, Raga. Happy New Year.
And the same to you.
Long time listener, first time caller.
Uh-huh.
Yes, I have a friend, Raga, and in the last year, he used to deal with this guy, right? The guy wants to tap my
Hold on. Your friend is a woman, right?
Yes, a woman.
Right, okay.
And he deal with this guy.
And
right?
she says, says she. When you tell your friend, says she. Yeah.
I rather she deal with this man, right?
Yeah.
My top man, he have money and thing, he doing little call and he making money, right?
And doing little call. When call, what you mean? In sweepstakes?
Yes, in the city. He have big house, change car every 3 months and them something there, Raga.
Okay.
Yeah, the girl, she used to go to high school, right? It was her last year of high school, so I decided to go buy her a phone and thing. Because the way her father used to stay, you know, really, you understand, father not really wanted that to have no money. Something like that, buy him a phone, buy her a phone.
Buy her a phone, right.
Yes, he buy her a phone.
Right.
Right? The type of phone he buy was a Razor at the time. And then flip Razor there.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, and the first time we would go out and thing, we enjoy ourselves. On the way back home, no Raga, some little thing come up and the father mash up the phone.
Right.
So the guy buy her back a next phone. This time it was an iPad phone, Raga. So she said she know she going to take care of it with all her heart and soul and life.
Right.
Some little thing go down and girl call phone and boy call phone and Ray say boy, so you want back him phone, Raga.
Mm-hmm.
Then it was an iPhone and the phone just come in and the one what them look like BlackBerry I think one of them one day.
Mm-hmm.
The boy called up the girl and said, this and that, Ray, I have man a call for you for my phone, my bike, you can have my phone, come give me. If you don't know, so the girl send the phone from bus, go give him back, Raga.
Mm-hmm.
Me tell her, say, he shouldn't give me it back, because she works so hard, she have it, and he shouldn't give him it back.
She works so hard? What kind of work she do?
Raga, if you're there with that guy, and the guy buy your phone, what make him go and take you back, Raga?
No. I said, what kind of work? You said she works so hard for the phone.
No,
What she do?
but even if she not do no kind of no nasty work kind of I don't like them.
Okay.
If you have a girl that you say buy her phone, give her the phone if you left her.
No, I agree. I
I call her up from school and say, I want my phone and everything. I have care back home, give me, Raga. I said the whole crew of them stay, Raga.
Okay.
The whole of them.
And the reason why him do that now is because she have man a call her.
No, it's like, Raga, we have friends at school. And if we miss school one day, we go get called and say we have homework and such as that.
Okay.
Him no fear say a man, the girl have, Raga. And
then see to your friend and think. Then see to your friend. You know say what she did have a look at that person who she had talked to do, no?
But then when left Raga call, being that he meet the guy and Raga, and the guy was so nice to her and him give her everything she want. Him Raga like this is the one when I have lately, the Gucci I eat yet, Jesus Christ. Raga is like when you meet the guy, she stopped talking to everybody, right? Because she used to have this one guy, and the second guy he talked to, right?
She talked to, yeah.
She talked to, Raga.
Right.
And she Raga, the way she loved that boy, I never see she loved nobody else yet, Raga. The girl.
No, it should have leave her with the phone. I that me I say at the end.
And the whole crew of them stays to Raga.
Okay.
I mean, if you might listen right now, I want to know say him is an idiot, him is a fool, and what he do is stupidness. Him not have no style, Raga.
Okay. No swag and no class.
No swag and no style. Because when I tell you, I must like him abuse him. I'm going night, Raga. If I see because of a friend like that, I will born the same month like my sister, Raga.
Okay.
I tell you.
Okay.
Love a little girlie.
All right. Him should have left her with the phone, man.
Yes.
All right. Here you take care. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Ragashanti.
Yes.
And how are you?
Happy
New Year.
Yes, and the same to you.
Yes, it's crazy name, Raga. It's crazy name talking to you, Raga.
What your name?
Crazy name. Remember crazy name on my salon?
Crazy name.
Yes, Raga.
Oh, Craveneer. Oh, yeah, Craveneer. Yeah, Mataran, man. Okay, all right, then, cool.
Raga.
Yeah, where you say no Craveneer?
Raga, I called to make a clarification yesterday. I confirmed something. The girl who called,
yeah.
I said that her friend met the guy downtown, And him give her the newspaper for the money. Raga, it's true.
Well,
I know the person.
Give her a newspaper for money. Oh, the one who get trick and whatever, yes.
Yes,
Sort her out, show her the money before and then sort her out and switch the envelope and when she thinks, how much money should he think again?
24, Raga, 24. I was listening, Raga.
24,000. So you want to see a real thing happen?
Raga, a real thing, never tell you the truth, Raga, because what happened is, he never catch me with the money, but he catch me with belly.
What you mean he catch you? Oh.
Because he's my child's father.
Are you a baby father?
Yes, Raga, I'm my dear father, something go on and do. So me get caught tonight. Because when I first met him, I never know him was that type of person.
Okay.
Until me get pregnant, me find out everything about him.
Oh. But you see a regular thing him going and do is show the woman them the money first, so they might give them.
Yeah, but he never fool me with no money.
He never fool you with no money. But you know say that him do.
No, he never fool me with the money.
No. But me say you know says that him do to other women.
Yes, Raga, because he tell me.
Him tell you what him do to them, right? And when him can.
He said me the lucky one because he never get caught with the money.
So how him explain it? When him explain it to you, how him say it work? What him say?
When him say him work?
How him say it work? How him say it work?
Oh, yeah. Raga him say him sit down and I'm out and him cut out the money them. Or the newspaper, you use the money I make for the newspaper.
Yeah.
And cut it out and put it in an envelope and walk with it.
Uh-huh.
In a pocket. You know, like when you walk with money to get a bank and him thing there.
Right.
And him just look for the type of girl where him knows the head giddy. Yeah.
Right. No, but,
yeah.
But how it work? Because apparently she did see the real money before.
Yeah, I got him to Raga. He have a paper where him go around and show people say him retire from a certain force.
Yeah.
And he must tell him he get $3 million when them done with the money.
Right.
And thing I'm buy the paper for you to take it from you.
Oh, okay. No, but what may I say? Hold on. So him have a way where him show them the real money first because from what we did here and I mix up, him show her the real money first and she thinks that she have the real money and at some point him switch it.
Mm-hmm. Yes, Raga.
Okay.
I saw him doing things.
Okay. So is that regular con that out there then?
Yes, Raga.
And things.
The girl them need to be careful, especially the one them downtown.
Okay. So enough woman, enough look at giddy and woman who love running pan Friday when I see money and all them things.
Yeah, Raga, because him tell him same work at a certain place and for your ear him say work at a certain place and people are gonna jump for him.
Okay.
Yes, you must pick up on which place me at.
No man, just tell Ruth half the year there before you go and thing. All right.
Yes, Raga.
All right.
Raga, what we want him lovely see your program in Raga.
Oh.
What me want him for know, he need to come and take care of child. He have to take it higher.
All right then. Probably man listen then. So all right.
Yeah, him listen your program and can tell me same hear me enough time.
Oh. All right, let's say a word here.
Yes, Raga.
Yeah, man, bless up. Okay, Ruth, I talk to you for a second there. Yeah. Well, I will break. We're so forward.
A Mixup and Blenda time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the things them.
Hey, yeah, man, welcome back up in the set. Now we a Mixup and Blenda. To the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Greetings, Raga. What go on?
Today I give thanks, you know, what I go to.
Alright, Raga, me say, want big up the man, them. Where I look woman and can't read. Raga, what day my friend birthday, you know, my friend in our brown marina guest blows. And the man they pan, Guinness girl. Mr. My friend. Mr. Raga, we nearly dead.
Well, if she guess and think again is.
Me say the man see the girl in the blows and me say, you know, how come the girl realize that she him attack Raga? When he realized that she not paying attention, she say, in the pan, brown blows.
But you don't think him can read, but him never see the word.
No, Raga, me say, him man never know what say. I guess the pan the blows because a brown blows and the guess
in a brown when you can't see it, rather than
Okay, you know the Guinness. Oh, so the brown, I like the Guinness brown, the color of the brown I use with Guinness.
Eh?
The brown of the blouse are coming like the Guinness color, because Guinness are brown.
Me know that rather, but...
No, me ask you for the color trick him.
Rather, 5 letter to a 8 letter, that's another trick. He just can't read, rather. He just can't read. And I look woman. Anyways, rather, I want big up the girl working at one store. I said, I go to the store, go shop for there, you know. And I said, the girl I deal with.
Hold on. So she ease her body.
All right, she ease her body, rather. I said, the girl I deal with the customer, rather, ease her body for the customer. All me could have hear. Sorry.
No, tell your friend that she cannot be talking in the background while you're on the phone.
All right,
yeah?
you cannot talk in the background. Rather.
Hold on. All right, hold on. No, hold on, man. So, you know, say something. She need fluffy?
No, Raga. She no fluffy. I want slim girl.
No,
Raga.
but you know, say sometimes when you bend over, you know, that can like force out the ear, you know. You understand? So, sometimes when you bend over, it can force out the ear in such a way that you don't even know say it's going to happen. You know, you understand? So I probably that, because I feel like, say, anyhow, she know it till that come, should I squeeze it, you know? But I want to catch her off guard. So what you say, it just come out, she just sees her body right for the customer.
Yes, Rock got right for the man. Me say, only thing me hear me here.
Sorry. Did I do that? Anyway, what you say, I don't...
Yeah, rather, me just send a look small big up. Please, me I beg you. More big up the staff at Sophia's and the manager them think hype and them shots. Loving her like that.
All right, then bless up here.
Because who greetings that come from?
Yes.
Greetings is coming from Tanisha, a.k.a. Fluffy. One big up Trevor.
Stop no. You see what me I talk about? Stop no, man. You just said the staff at Sophia. I'm cool, man.
All right, brother.
Right. You see what I go on is like 10 million people are going to run in and want to get big up on this. Not a big up show. Here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, sir.
Just a small thing. I'm at work.
Yeah.
You can go. All right. Listen, I have a mix-up. Take you back mix-up, you know.
Yeah.
All right, my brother, I have a girl pregnant.
Uh-huh.
And 2 months after the girl have baby, he's a furniture. He make furniture.
Yes.
So he buy $30,000 worth of board. Buy the dresser, whatnot, everything for match for the bedroom. Him and the baby, the girl and the baby.
Right.
Then after him find out, him varnish it so a natural color.
Right. Shine it up.
Shine it. No. He shine it up and then everything. So everything a natural color.
Right.
Then after 3 months in here, so the girl have man with her, with the baby. The man take a truck and go down to the girl house and tell her, say, you know, say, the furniture them want spray over back. Some of them will scratch up when them come down. And he move out everything. So when me go from my mother yard, me I say, Mommy, say you buy so much furniture. He say, you know, say, and your brother car then come. Your brother car then come yesterday. And so me say, when get them, he say, he go down some of the yard and take out the whole of them. Say, I keep woman.
So she a keep woman?
She a keep man.
But hold on, a female baby mother?
A female baby mother. So the girl, the baby are 2 months old.
And in take back all the bed and everything?
Only the mattress in there for a week.
And does she have the baby down there?
She have a baby now.
And she really a keep man with him for true? She a keep man with him for true?
Him not know for sure.
Oh,
he just here.
Him just here?
He just here.
So him not confirm for sure or anything?
Him not confirm. Then this fella said she got spray, him got spray them over back.
So
and take out everything.
So when she and I when him do this now? When him do this?
Early last year.
Okay.
Not even because the baby is not even 1 year old yet.
So I know she did react to it after.
I know she not even know she had the furniture them there.
Okay, but him and her still a deal or them left?
No, sir, them not a deal at all.
Okay.
So I hope he get confirmation say a true.
Okay. Then I so it really true.
I went really true, man.
Okay. So it look like she did have that the man there before she have the baby then. Because if the baby had 2 months and him find out she had take man with him, man.
It looks so.
Oh. What I eat and him go back and take back every but him smooth with it. Him smooth with it. So,
because the thing then went vanish, you know, but then get the last shine from them.
Okay.
Because he went and hurry it up so when she have baby, she have all of them there.
Right.
And then him doing thing in him yard, so him just take them out and carry them one go spray them over back.
Right.
So he just come with a truck and say, I'm going to spray you over back. I left the girl on the mattress. So the girl I said, so him just, they take all the bed same time. The bed base.
He make sure he move with everything.
And he might move with everything.
And go eat it up right down the mama house. Smart.
But the man is terrible still. You should tell him be careful.
No, the man has no control over. The man has no business with that. The man has no business with that.
You should tell him be careful, man.
So you want to take it back? You want to take it back?
Maybe want to take back me don't give him the mattress still, but me not give him the bed and something. Me don't give her like the dresser jar and something.
What you mean?
Give her the chester jar and some people put the baby clothes them, but you can't have man on the bed.
Okay, but you can't have man on the bed. Then the man not going to dip on the mattress too?
No, but I fear a mattress.
I fear a mattress?
Fear a mattress. Keep the mattress, man.
Okay, but you say that leave the chester jar if you keep the baby.
The bed base.
But you not take the bed base?
Of course.
I leave the chester jar if you keep
the chester jar for baby clothes.
And then she must know say only the baby clothes to go in that the chester jar.
Yeah.
You know what? Go over there and see a briefing.
No.
Man
can't hold pan top of chester jar.
No, man can't hold pan top of chester jar. I know start out now go and pan top of chester jar. It's too tall, no?
It's too tall, man.
It's tall.
Our foot can't go.
Our foot can't go. All right, Papa, that's our word here.
All right, take care.
Yeah, man, take care. All right. Okay, here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Uh-huh.
Wagwan.
There.
I just want to say, long time listener, first time caller.
Uh-huh.
I wish you a happy new year.
All right.
And big up Chris Cross, Michelle, and Ruthie for me.
All right.
And large up yourself every time. Bad man people can't stop you, not there.
Man.
All right.
Well, and that's it. All right, moving right along. Go to I want to stop tell Ruthie lie, please. Don't stop tell Ruthie lie. Ruthie says my girl Ruthie say you tell her say you have a good mix up or something like so. You understand? Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Yes. Speak a little louder.
Yeah. Okay, then I'm a bus on the road. Yeah, big up the girl there, give your friend a man and take it back.
Big up the girl that give her friend a man and take it back.
Yeah.
Give a look at details.
Yeah, this girl.
Yeah.
They were this boy from high school.
Yeah.
And the girl and the boy go high school and them end up that them leave high school and start go college.
Right.
And them go college together and the boy leave college and the boy started at the security place.
Yeah.
And him started because the security place two part of my work, two part of him live.
Yeah.
For a distance him leave from which part of him live and go to the place that near to him or her.
Yeah.
So anyway, him still have contact with the girl still, and the girl find a different man when him gone.
Right.
So anyway, end up and still I call the girl and everything.
Right.
And anyway, end up that thing come back home and everything. Come back when the girl them that started from high school.
Yeah.
Find a different guy.
Yeah.
So they come back when the girl started tying on and when they come back and they find out so the girl find out saying come back.
Yeah.
And the girl started talking to him and everything. And the man and the girl that started to first give her friend that the one that started to use them in that started from high school. So
the one where she did attack to down at the town when time high school man gone. she give her friend a man there for go and talk to.
Yeah.
And then start talk back to the youth where they work at security place, so come back I thought, yeah.
Give the girl,
yeah.
I thought it was go and lock for a while too.
Yeah. And then what happened?
And then the youth come back and about 2 years after the girl, where she give the man.
Yeah.
You go and talk to.
Yeah.
Him, the girl and the man will get married and everything.
Yeah.
So when the man get married, then at the wedding day,
yeah.
The girl got do up her hair and do her nails and buy this dress and everything. And so the day the wedding will start now, around 2 hours before the wedding will start, the girl from the high school, they happened to him and she and the guy from high school, so they end up break up. So the girl come back at the church and I start cuss the girl, say she want to her man, and them start to fight and everything at the church.
In at the church?
Yeah, in at the church.
So she go back and say she want back her man and whatever this and that, and I fight the bride in at the church?
Yeah, I fight the bride at the church, and the pastor say, well, I can't handle this in the church, and she try to calm them and everything. And she and hold the girl and tear out the girl here and
wait there, who tear out who for here?
Girl, will give the girl the man.
Yeah. She hold the bride and tear out the bride here and them someone.
Yeah, tear up the boy here and tear up the dress and them start fighting. And they start cussing. The bride said to him, say, if you want to use your man, you have to give me him, and the man love when me climb him pole and everything, and them start cussing everything. And so the pastor said to them, come out of the church with a slack argument, and me not come here for them something here, and them start cussing, and them start fight, and machete and knife, and all heap of mix up at the church, and the pastor end up running out the door, and all heap of jam and thing.
But where the machete come from in the wedding?
The girl bring it, man. The girl bring it.
The one who got the church to bring the machete?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And nearby the church, she live in the church. Look at when something was
she live nearby the, okay.
Yeah,
so she run go for machete because she live nearby. Okay.
Yeah.
So how this end up now? She didn't really get back the man?
Well, she end up, no, she don't get back there. She don't get back the man.
Oh, but she go for take him back.
The girl says she not give him back, so if she have you see him, wouldn't give her back. And
okay, what did the girl eventually still married to him?
Yeah, they're going to marry still.
The same day?
No, they're not really married the same day.
Okay. But that one that she not easy. she have a man and she there with her man. The man going.
She give the girl the man to go and keep her wife. No. So that she actually said she give the girl the man to go and hold her partner.
Oh, she tell her she give her go and hold her partner. She should have gone but she go and marry the man.
Yeah,
she just go and hold her partner because her high school man come back in her place and
real man come back.
Real man come back. So she said go and, you know, she a similar mix-up come in with the and thing and we are trying to make the person know say, I look at car they draw. It's like a woman set up her friend for a man, but she didn't use her, you know, basically I use a man there as a shield. Have her friend a par with the man, so the friend there with the man. When she and the man they really do the things, you know?
Yeah, they really that mix up like that. They surely go ahead, you know?
Yeah, man, yeah, hey, when woman go for really plot and scheme the thing, you know, nothing devious like them, you know. Nothing devious like them. Remember me tell you, man.
I said, look at you, man, because they would just give me that school you was still in, I go to school, and they were the school girls, and 7th grade still. And this girl even had the scheme, and I see her all the while, and like and thing, but a girl I talked to for a long time. So the girl and I start talk and everything, and so one day I end up that me and I start talk, and the girl from school finds me and I talk, and I talk up the things, and I tell them all about things about me, and she got to the girl, one more thing I lie, and something there. I saw me not good youth, and me a wicked, and something there. The girl will come up here and I start cussing me. I saw me take her the idiot, and I tell her, one more things I know, so I go for them, something there, anyway, and I start classing and worry about something to me. Man.
Yeah, and where the mix-up part, though, yeah.
And the mix-up part, that when the girl come home, and I did have me go and build work out and build it. She come in and no, she come, her face look not look right. And I said, I want to see you. And she said,
talk look louder, no.
I really know about this in our school. I come from it, and I go hear me.
You know what? I better you show to back one next time. Did you hear? Because we know what things set here.
Yeah, man. That's
all right, my king. Protection. Cool. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yeah. Good afternoon, big man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Well, I don't want to call on them as I call about Mixup. Just call for big you up on your program.
Give thanks.
And one of them there would have want to hear Root define for 1 hour, you know, and what's the program, you know.
We have offered, listen, we have offered it to her for years now, and she absolutely refuses.
So wait there. I want to understand that the whole world wants to hear for your voice.
I have offered it to her on many occasions. She'll get mad and angry for me and say, I must stop it. Because she says...
Man, she can't this other program and get mad, man.
She not this program. She's just saying that is not what she wants to do at all. She just says she don't want to do nothing like that. So we have to respect her upon that level, you know?
Yeah, I just have to go and keep up the good work still. And boy, I'm not going to lie. Boy, enough time when I'm down, I have to laugh, man. I tell you, because some of them people are really happy to know.
Cool, man. That's how I think, said, Papa.
Yeah, man. A while ago, still, you should have get to that long time, man. It's a boring story that you might have, man. So I want to hear somewhere make people laugh, you see?
All right, Papa.
Me I laugh a while ago because me I laugh at him.
All right, Papa. That's the word, yeah?
So, go and cool, say, I wrote. If I'm not for no 1 year, fine. One of them there. Surprise one of them there.
All right, Papa. Manners and respect.
That's spoilers.
Spoil. All right, Papa. That's the word, yeah?
All spoilers.
All right.
All right.
You go, so. Okay, here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Greetings, Raga.
Uh-huh.
So just a call for Elif. You want to know, say, the thing that you talked about earlier when you talked about the thing with Brazilians.
Yeah.
Yeah. But just a call for confirm something still, you know, because that did reach Ronaldo, you know. If you remember.
For real? Oh.
Yeah, man, because him is like him did go. And Ronaldo was talk about, you know, the biggest things in spelling.
Right.
Yeah. So it's like him go on a prostitute. But it's like, when him go on the prostitute, woman look good at everything. I realize he's a man. The man start beat up the man.
Ronaldo beat up the man?
Yeah, man, beat up the man, come on news and everything.
Okay. But
yeah, man, if you don't believe me, check it out, man. Because that's a serious thing, man.
But the prostitute moved to him like a woman, no?
Yeah, moved to him like, and you know, it's a prostitution legal in Brazil.
I'm not sure.
Well,
yeah, tell me. Okay.
Free. So,
right.
So when him did it, know, it's like, ready to take off clothes and everything, and realize he's a man. Start flinging on some lick for him, man. So, how it end up reaching news, you know, is like the man, female, whatever prostitute go report him now. I say it reach the news, and I saw we find out.
Oh, I saw people find out what it
yeah, man, that's serious thing. You can't look it up, man.
No, man, that is a thing that for Google, man. So
yeah, man. So them things, you want to know, so we're there all the vibe, because I work with left, you know, and just run a boat and I listen to you and your program nice here, so keep it up.
No, say a word, man. Manners and respect. Here, sir.
Yeah, cool.
Protection. Okay, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I am good.
I must say that it's really a pleasure listening to your program. I was introduced to the program by my daughter.
Okay.
And, I find it really refreshing.
All righty.
Hello?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Yes, I'm saying I really enjoy the program.
Well, I'm glad that you do. Glad that you appreciate the entertainment.
Yes, I do. I actually wanted to talk to you about the lady that got sued because her baby was ugly.
Yes.
I think the man should have just accepted the child. I mean, a child is a gift from God. And whether the child is ugly or beautiful, he should just accept it. It's his child.
Well, I don't think the issue was whether or not he should accept the child. That wasn't the issue, you know.
Uh-huh. What was the issue?
The issue was that he felt that he was defrauded. So it could be, in other words, they did not even tell us what he's going to do with the child. It's just that he wanted a divorce. But I don't think the issue here was with the child. I mean, we can assume that he, under the law, he will still be responsible for the maintenance of the child. But what he was a child. But what he was also be, shall we say, they can be exaggerated and emphasized also, as well as the features can change also. But but you're right. Very often the way a child look when that child is young is not how they blossom out, and we all know of the ugly duckling analogy, from
on the other hand, you have some who are born really cute.
Right.
And then they grow to be so ugly.
Okay. I mean, and of course, ugly is all relative, don't is it not? Right, you know? So ugly is relative. But we need to understand that his issue here was that when he met this woman and whatever, and what he was envisioning, and we can ascribe any values we want to it, but the fact is, he saw this woman in a certain light and envisioned a future based on her features. And then now he's faced with the reality that this is not the agreement he entered into. So he was
it's
just
a real deception, I think.
right, and I think
on her part.
no, but I think he's doing the right thing. If he's not going to be happy ever again with her, knowing that reality, then he should not stay in it, because he'll be doing not only a disservice to himself but a disservice to her. That is just going to be years of misery. You know, so
Right, I agree with that.
You know, so
anyway,
yes.
I just want to say, where's Michelle?
Oh, she's right here. So, Michelle, say hello.
Hi.
Do you know that my daughter has the same name? Hi, Michelle.
Hi. Say hi to your daughter.
Okay, you share the same name as my daughter.
Oh, cool. Awesome.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Because you're not speaking in the microphone, Michelle.
I'm saying that's cool. Because the meaning of the name is made to be liked, so I'm sure she's loved.
It was when I listened to this program first that I realized that somebody else had that name, you know, because I've been going for all this time and I never hear anybody else with that name until I started listening to the program.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
And she's right here and she would like to say hi. Is that okay?
All right, no problem.
Okay, hold on. Michelle. Hello?
Hi, Michelle.
Hello?
Yeah, hi. Michelle.
You stole my name.
Huh? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, Michelle?
Yeah, you stole my name.
If I spell your name?
You stole her name.
No, you stole my name.
No, it depends on your age, though.
How old are you?
I'm 14.
Oh, sorry, you stole mine.
Well, I only have 1 minute, so I'll talk to you guys next time.
All right,
Bless up
take care.
yourself.
Good.
Cool.
You know that there was this R&B artist called Michelle? No, hold on. You never hear her sing it?
If she's beyond the 90s, no.
Oh, no, but NAA did boss her. A group named Niggas with Attitude, Easy, Dr. Dre, when Dr. Dre did Just Boss. You don't know Dr. Dre when him did a rap. Yeah, and she sang, say, you said you love me, and I think that it's true.
Oh, what is that?
And I still love you. You don't know that song?
No.
And I said I trust you, but I want you to know. You said, you're like a liar. Your nose is growing, Pinocchio. No, but when she sing, she sound like this mature, strong voice. And when she talk like this. I just want to say, hello to all my fans. But when she sings, she had this real open voice. But she was a very good singer. Michelle, I'm going to bring her song them tomorrow. You hear 2 tunes from her. Okay, well, we'll break with some forward.
A Mixup and Blenda time.
I want to call and talk up the things them.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in Nice Center. Welcome back up in Nice Center. Good afternoon. Hello?
Good afternoon.
Yes, hello?
Good afternoon, Raga.
Yeah, man, good afternoon.
I'm the person who called yesterday about the young man in my underwear.
Okay. Well, yeah, man, give me an update now. What's the status on that?
I went home last night. When I go home last night, I don't see him and he don't come for the whole night.
The whole night him not come in?
No.
You try calling him?
I'm calling, but when I call him, by mail, I get send text messages to him phone, I don't answer.
Him things still in other place?
Yeah, man.
And
then when I go home, I see the G-string on the bed head.
The G-string there on the bed head?
Yeah.
What, like what, the pole part, right?
No, man, the little string part just over the bed head.
Just over the bed head? Okay. So him obviously take it off and leave it and thing. But has he ever slept out? Has he ever slept out before? Eh? Him ever sleep
again?
Him ever sleep out before? Eh?
No, nothing like that before.
So you
nothing like that before.
Well, something attack, something I meant nice near there.
Not hear me clearly.
No, what is something is making noise near your phone?
Near me?
Yeah, man, I hear something, man.
You hearing it now? You hearing it now?
Hello? No, we're not hearing it now. We just get nervous. We're not hearing it now. We just get nervous about that because if the
We're not hearing it now.
We're not hearing it now. All right.
Yes, I'm telling you that when I go home last night, I don't see him and I see the G-string and the bed. So I'm just wondering, I really don't know what is going on. Me, I wonder if he didn't want to let me long time and he don't know if he let me.
Oh, yeah, I wonder. But that would be a strange way if you left a woman for make she come home, come see her.
You mean he didn't want to let me long time?
No, I don't think it's as simple as that.
Me not like you. Me not look so good, you know.
What you mean you don't look so good? What you mean by that?
Yeah?
Why you say that about yourself?
Not like to tell you like some woman, you pick up and say, tell him I had to, man. You're not really up on top, you know?
What don't look good about you?
Oh, you sound so low. You sound very low.
Richie. The caller can't hardly hear me. Okay. What don't look good about you?
You sound low.
All right. Ruth, come up. Call back this caller for me right now. Yeah? Come. Richie, take that phone from Ruth. Call her back for me right now. Okay. Dada, I'm going to see if we can. Michelle, where are going this? Where are going?
Well, as she said, he's an avid listener of the show, so one could say that maybe he was listening yesterday in his taxi on his route and heard the mix-up, and it just, I don't know.
But I hope him not take it to heart.
But when I left on the bed, door just hang up so like a curtain. Him could have washed it and put it down, honestly.
You know him know for washing.
I mean, after all, it's a string. It needs to be washed properly.
Now, if you have a boyfriend and you come home and you see your boyfriend wearing one of your G-string and in slippers and socks and your G-string.
How absurd.
What you that still talk to him?
Alright, I can't get what that. It depends on the type of person that the man is.
Okay.
Like, if I did always a playful man, no problem.
Alright, well on. Yes, caller. Yeah, man, when you say you don't look too good, what you mean by that? Hello?
Rubber.
Yes.
You don't know the hot girl them look good already and them please out themselves and wear them false there and all them things. Them me black and rust in a rubber my hair, nothing. Me go natural in a rubber. Probably me not hot enough for him. You understand them thing there?
Oh no, but no. I don't think that would be the reason why a man would have there with you for 2 years and then make you come home, come see me in your G-string.
Please that to me no bleach out, Raga. Me just see that to me no brown.
No, but what I'm saying, that have nothing to do with him wearing a G-string.
But what I'm saying, Raga, if him want to leave me long time.
Him tell us him want to leave you. Him tell us him want to leave you a long time?
No, he never tell me that, but this must mean something, Raga, because he never sleep out before. I cry all night last night because I love him in a Raga.
Okay, okay, me understand.
The second man that's in my life, and I'm 46 years old.
Am I the second man in your life, and how old are you?
I'm 46.
You're 46.
Listen to me, Raga. Not go too far in my life right now, like how me upset, Raga.
No, but.
You understand? Because it's like you take it, you're joking yourself, Raga.
No, I want you to know that initially, well, first of all, you have to understand we on the show, when we hear these things, our first reaction going to be to see the humor in it. But at the same time, I want you to know that we realize, we realize how serious this is for you. This is very, very serious for you, and you made it known to us yesterday, and that is when we got real serious about it.
But Raga, him always tell me that him love me, but him wish me did a little browner. I don't understand that, Raga. He must accept me for who he is.
Right. But you see, darling, I don't want you to make that get to you because him should not tell you them things. I'm going to tell you that straight.
Him a go and tell Raga, him start out already, you know, Raga.
Him start out already?
No, man, but me love him and me don't man, me don't really watch that. Me just, you know, shut me eye and go on, but him start out already, Raga.
What wrong with him start out? Him start out
now, what's not even 3 minutes, Raga.
Him start out in the last even 3 minutes?
Not even 3 minutes, Raga, and he's a young man.
And a young, about, you are 46, but how old him is?
I'm 39, Raga.
Him at 39, and you are 46.
Yeah.
And him start out no past 3 minutes.
No, Raga.
And you still love him?
But we love him still, Raga. I have some nice ways, Raga.
Okay. And you take care of him, don't it?
No, I'm not going to tell him a lie, not to that.
You not take care of him?
Not to that, Raga, because I now want my money and give him it, Raga.
Oh, okay. But him take care of you?
I take care of myself, Raga.
Okay, so but what you love about him then? What you love about him?
Raga, I have some nice ways and a theme house. I mean, I really have a house to myself.
Okay, but what? Tell me some of him nice ways then. What kind of nice ways him have?
Raga is a man when me go, I cook food every evening, Raga, me just lie down on the bed.
Oh, okay.
You understand me?
Okay.
We have 2 children and him take care of them. He don't really take care of me, but him take care of the children them. And it's not his own.
Oh, okay. Him have any for himself?
Yes, him have 2.
Okay, all right then. So his females, him come
Raga,
up.
I don't want to call him, you know.
Eh?
I don't want to call him. Ask him now come home because me don't forgive him, you know, Raga.
You don't forgive him?
Yeah, me don't forgive him. Man.
Okay, you want to get root the number half the year?
Because me have a feeling that to me buy them, the G-string them, and me now wear them. Maybe, you know, last time I lie down and me I think I met them, maybe that is the reason why he put it on, you know, Raga. Because me buy them and put them on, me don't really wear them, you know?
Well,
he might try to show me the well them if you put them on.
You buy the G-string them and you don't wear them?
Yeah.
And you feel, say, you are wondering now, if when you come home and go see your man and wear one of your G-string them and think, you are wonder if I hint him, I try to hint to you, I tell you, say, you need to wear the G-string them, don't you?
Right.
I strongly don't think that is the reason. Usually men don't do that in order to tell the woman to wear G-string, you know?
So what would they do? What would they do, Raga? What would you do then? What would you do? I live with you and I buy the G-string them and put them in my jar and don't wear them. What would you do?
I would tell you, say you need to wear.
Well, Raga, maybe he's not brave enough.
Oh, well.
Maybe he's not brave enough to tell me.
Me would tell you, and all one day you come out of bathroom, I say, hey, you're rich, you come here, I'm going to put on one of them upon you and start playing with you and put on the G-string and tell you, say, you know, some love for seeing them, that you must wear them there some more. You understand? That me would I do? You understand?
Well, maybe you have a point, Raga, but I think that is the reason.
No,
I don't wear them. I like to buy them, but I don't wear them.
No, but you see, I think you're making excuses because you love him and you don't want to lose him. I think you're trying to come up with some reasons that will make it easy for you to accept the fact, say, you come home and see a man wearing one of your G-string. I think that is what is going on. And you may not want to do that because probably what you need to do right now is to find out what really are going on in a female because you don't understand that it may come up back again in a more serious way and cause deeper problems in our relationship. You understand?
But Raga, me have a little jacket on his side where you know, do nothing intimate, it's just a social friend. And if he continue to act like this, might as well me switch over because I know him for years and nothing intimate, Raga. But right now, as far as how me, I'm not come over me and show him, tell him what I want, and him have to me to show him where, you know?
When you say, yeah, one little man will like you on the side?
Yes.
You and him not do nothing yet?
Never.
Never yet do anything?
Never.
So what you say, like, you tell him what you tell him what I go on?
Yeah, me tell him what I go on last night.
And what him say?
But the man to get rid of him.
Forget rid of him, the man where you're there with you now.
Yeah.
So what you want to do?
I want back him, brother. I want him back.
All right. You give Root the number?
Yeah, me give Root the number.
Right. Wait, try this, so I could try call him. Call the number there, Root. Root a call the number. We'll go see if we can get him.
The voicemail box of...
That goes straight to voicemail here.
So what do you think happening right here, Raga?
You know, to be honest with you, I don't know right now, but I can tell you that...
Like a man, what do you mean you don't know? I call you because I want you to tell me. If I didn't respect you, I want to call you. I want to hear your opinion right now.
No, but what I'm trying to tell you is that I cannot be in that man. All I can do is speculate and think. And what I was about to say is that if him here say you call the show, and here say you talk it out, him probably embarrassed and don't know how to deal with it. And probably will shame a little bit. And
Robert,
yeah.
Robert, I would like to give Root a next number. I think you don't answer the other number.
All right, give Root the other number. Hello. All right, shall I give... Yeah, she rocks me up a while. Stop it laughing.
Yeah, man, she rocks up for sure.
Okay, all right.
But she sound like she love him, though.
She really love him. I mean, if she...
But lady, if you buy the pants...
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, my Root, I go try the other number here.
Yeah.
All right, just still. I could see if we can get this bread.
Hello?
Yes, hello, Bossy. Hello, Bossy. This is Ragashanti and thing. You know, say, your lady say she love you and she want you to come home and she vex, say she not see you last night.
Yeah, no, sir. You know, she diss me, do Raga.
How she diss you?
She carry a bedroom thing on line, Raga.
Okay, I see where you are. But she says she love you, and it sounds to me like she really, really love you. And you know, she cried all night last night, and she want you to come home.
Yeah, I just feel kind of traumatized, you see me?
Cause I don't hear what you say. What you say?
Kind of traumatized, you see me?
No, me understand. I'm probably...
I mean,
yeah.
If you don't make we should make the Empress know some kind of love the G thing, you see me?
You should have make sure know, say what?
I love the G them, man.
So you love the G them, the G string them?
Yeah, man, I love the G them, man.
But why you love them? Why you love them?
Why, I don't know if you explain, but I just love them with a passion, sir.
But sometimes people don't know, say you can't love them thing and you're not gay. So just explain that. So you're not gay.
All right, them turn me on more. Because show me someone like this more. You have a little thing about me like, boss, you know, like where you have to get something to get in the kicks.
You have to what?
You have something to get me in the kicks, isn't it?
Something to get you in the kicks?
Yeah, that really get me in the kicks more.
Okay, the G string them.
Yeah, but we did a try to make little fashion outside and she come in and see it, but she never really expect me to do it that way, isn't it?
Okay. All right then. So then you just go home tonight and talk to her about it.
Yeah, no, you know, over my mother, me there go and because I feel like to go back home though.
No man, go home tonight and at least sit down and talk with her about it, yeah?
No, right now. Yo, I can't manage that. She bring the thing and friend of my work a lot for now.
But how them know? How them for know? How them for know?
Nah, they know the cat advice, man, and step on the radio, man.
All right then. But still, gear attack and see how they can work out, here.
All right, Raga, I'm going to take your feed, you see me?
Well on, but she online, you know, you want to say hello to her?
No, Raga.
All right, she just want to say hello to you. Make she say hello to you. Say hello to your gentleman, no mums.
Hello. So if you like the G, why you never tell me then? Hello.
Raga, but not hear me, Raga.
Eh? No man, she just attack. She just ask you something. She just
listen to me, me say to Lord G, why you never tell me?
No, too many kind of shit.
Shy? You can't try to say that. You have
No, I never know how you take it across. That's why I'm going to try to bring it over in that style.
Bring it over in a which style?
Huh?
So what, me I come over later?
Yes, you know, I was talking about it first before. I know that then you know, I tell my mother about it, isn't it?
Yo, madam, just go somewhere where you... No, him say more talk to him mother first about it, but madam, just go somewhere where your phone pick up good because it a break up.
No, you know, I don't want to sit down there and move on.
Eh, what you say?
But you can't tell about your mother. Your mother no business in this. You can't talk about your mother because your mother big man see her life not straight.
Oh, okay. Eh, all right. Then it sound like him phone the call drop here.
Okay.
Okay, so what you say mother big man and fear she not forget involved in
Her
it.
life not straight, so she not get involved in it, rather.
Me understand.
I thought big woman and she married brother when the man gone to work, she have a next man a yard, so she can't talk to me.
Okay.
And you know that too.
Okay. But hopefully he will go home and he will come home to you and the two on the car. I mean,
well,
wait 1 second. Yes. Hello?
Yeah,
hello?
Yeah, madam. She did just say something to you. Yeah, he's here now. Talk to him.
He said to know so you like the G, why you never tell me?
No, me say I don't
see. Me never just for 2 years, and you can't say to me. So only that way you can
no. When you ask him something, you have to give him time for respond, okay? She said, if you know you didn't like for wear G-string, why you never say it to her if you and her live for 2 years?
No, I think that you know me I put some time, but this time I bring it across and
okay, Mom, you hear him say basically him the same I try bring it across to you on a certain level, like you know, like a fun level and thing for you see it and thing. Him I try to introduce it to you in a nice, creative way. That him that try do.
So what you say about that, Raga?
No, that's something for you and him try. That's something for you see if you can accept eventually. But the point what him I try to say to you is that him love the G them, him love G-string, and him just that try to bring it over to you in a kind of nice way. And
well, because some of the kids him trying to do it again because I don't like them thing there.
Bossy.
Yeah, Bossy.
Man. She said she'd rather if you don't do it again because she don't like the idea say wear our G-string them.
What? I mean, I can't know me love them things in Reggae.
All right.
You know me can't work without them things. Can't know, sir.
All right, what me I say?
Raga, tell him come on tonight and at the white team.
All right.
That's why because we don't talk about here, we don't get an argument, don't get it. So nobody come on with the white thing and come ask me why we call you for and all them things.
All right, Bossy, what may I suggest to you? Go home tonight, you no bother war and argue, and you no bother war with him no bother war, and the two of you just see if you can work with the G-string thing, here?
All right, I'm done. I'll try.
And listen, miss, I would suggest you put on one of the G-string tonight too, here?
Who?
You. You know what?
Raga, if me never did put it on before, me not put it on now, Raga. Only you me that put it on, but trust me.
No.
Empress, if you put it on, we propose to you tonight.
Yeah, hear the man saying you put it on and propose to you.
Put it on tonight. We propose to you.
You going to put on one tonight?
Me don't know about the part there yet, Raga.
Say, Empress, and you put the on tonight, me buy the ring tomorrow, me know you always want to marry to me, the Empress.
All right, the 200.
When you come home tonight, we talk about that.
All right, the 200 talk about it tonight and see how we can work on.
All right.
All right. Chris Cross, what you think about that? Michelle, what you think about that?
Can I just say something quick?
Yeah.
You see in a relationship, and it goes for mainly ladies, because believe it or not, a man will act how a lady feel comfortable with how him act around her. Understand what I say? You must make on yourself comfortably, you must make on a man comfortably enough you can do certain things around and feel no way. Because believe it or not, to me, she sound like a little bully. I'm not gonna lie.
She?
Yeah. Because even the man a reason with her, she sound, you know, and I mean, come on.
Yo, but me have to talk to you as a man too and tell you, say, in general, while you have some woman, you just can't tame them. In general, a woman will be as much as a bully as a man. Lower, baby.
Well, that's true.
Me can tell you that. Right? Enough time when a woman a bully, I really step up, she want her man step up, you know. And from the man step up and take charge and him a man a house and man a yard. She easy. But she just want to know, say, she have to test the man and she just want to know, say, she not there with a man who she can bully. You understand? So him have to go man up right, you know. And part of the way for she know, say, is not a man who she can bully. You hear she explicitly say, yo, me can't deal with that. She said, tell him to never do it again. Because the strong personality woman that she is, perhaps she don't want to know, say, she there with a man who wear G-string. You understand? That I don't know where you say cross.
I mean, the most unfortunate part about it still, as I tell Richie said, the man have to deal with him thugs them on the road, and you know what I mean, he can't go around him the normal way again, because you know what I mean, they don't have that against him. But at the same time, the point where you make to the woman a while ago, so she can put on some still, was a good point, because if you have a man and you love a man, you have to do things to please a man, and as him say, give him a kicks. So, you know what I mean? For me, I just that's
but when you never when you what?
Yeah, but the issue where you make still about the showing the manliness and your dominance.
Yeah, I'm not talking about aggression, you know. I'm not talking about beat woman. I'm not talking about bully backing woman, you know. I just say, you don't hear me telling her all the while. No care how you hear woman run down money, run down looks, run down this and that and whatever. All them things that are important to woman. But if a woman have all of that, and she don't have security, and she don't respect that man, she not go stay with that man. I tell her that. A woman African respect her man.
Maybe I treat my cook too much, you know.
That, well, all of that probably if you get
hear what she said, she just lay down in her bed in my cook.
Yeah, man, there's a little dynamic going right there, so, you know, because...
Like rules that change.
Yeah.
Him sound like one of them laid back man there. Like, all him want is just a woman who him can talk to. She not sound like somebody can talk to her. You know, you should all a while you up for nothing. You never hear that little part there, didn't miss it?
Yes, because she have that
she don't sound like, yeah, man, she have that little agony thing. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Woman for can talk to sometime. Man for man up, but woman for can talk to sometime.
Well, if I saw it go, him have to know the levels and things, because I can tell you, say, I have met woman in my life where no fight time, woman them go and them wear the cross, and from your man up and whatever, them just drop back and easy and balance up the thing for you make them know what is what. I mean, I like, my box some woman, some hardcore, aggressive woman, I just say, yeah, me and you can't there. Because I know says either she going to kill me or me going to kill her. You understand? So, interesting, but...
just go home, yeah, man.
Yeah, but... what a deal. G-string in our relationship. Yo, 1 o'clock tomorrow. 1 o'clock tomorrow.